Control 6281. I'll be out the vehicle at the Portage Cutter address.
Yeah.
Control 6Q457.
6Q457?
I'm going to be on number 7 in Jenny and Keith. Oh, 1 male.
Okay.
Control 6S1 bikes up.
6S1 bikes?
Me, 70 and campers.
Okay.
Control 6Q421.
6Q4.
Two last names, Garcia Rodriguez. Rodriguez with a CC Rodriguez. First Clemente, Charles, Lincoln, Edward, Mary, Edward, Nora, Tom, Edward, DOB 1123 of 1972, 72, 1 male.
Okay.
Control 6S1 final.
Okay.
Last phonetically, Adam, Robert, Charles, Edward, Nora, Edward, Adam, Union, X-ray. First, Devin L. David, Edward, Victor, Adam, Nora, Lincoln, Edward. 215 of 9595 Mall, Modesto.
Okay.
2-1. I'll be out the RO.
Okay.
6Q4
From what?
It's under just the last of Garcia. He's got one out of Modesto. It's going to be a misdemeanor for 44A, bill amount $3,500.
2-4 copy, you can 1022 open 3-4.
6Q4 copy.
6S1 Central.
6S1 flight.
Clear with an ID match.
Copy, go for.
Okay.
Control 681.
Okay.
We're good for elderly driver. See if you can 1022 unless they want to inspect the vehicle.
Okay.
I can do that.
3Q4.
Covering passenger 6 Yellow, George Robert 070. Clover and Mac Duff. 6Q14 traffic.
Q14.
6 David Robert Victor 216 270 in Colorado.
Okay.
Q14 OD is stop. It's going to be Tuolumne and Leon.
Okay.
Okay, Charlie.
I got 2 clean 90.
Yeah, April. April, sorry.
Affirm, go ahead.
Second Collins. Charles Ocean, Lincoln, Lincoln, Iowa. Sam, Person Eric. Edward, Robert, Iowa, Charles. DOB 116, 1881, 81. We're running up.
Okay.
Iverson 325, I'm on your car.
Stand by just one. Break Q90. Actually, I'm sorry, are you 1035?
Yeah, April.
He's got one out of Modesto. It's a misdemeanor for 6020 Ocean, bill amount $750. And then he is on probation for 594B1, no search indicated. And then I don't know if this qualifies for where you guys are at, but he also has a stay 100 yards away of the Caltrans property on 99 in Kansas.
I copy. Can you put me on a separate invest, same location here? And
Okay.
Q14 21.
I stand by just one. Break 3Q5, go ahead.
2 last names. First of Sosa, Sam Ocean, Sam Adam. Second of Lopez, ending the Z Zebra. First of Joe, John Ocean, Edward Lincoln, date of birth 11/13 of 1986, 86. BL Patterson, I got a number if you need it.
Yep. Q14, go ahead.
Control 79 traffic. 79, go ahead.
Vermont L, Raptor Williams, William Ida, Lincoln, Lincoln Ida, Adam, Mary Sam, first of Troy, Tom, Robert, Ocean Yellow, 7/2 of 1986, 86.
California 7, Paul, Union Victor, 619. And we had H. Henry, Yosemite.
3Q5, control.
Good.
Clear valid.
Control 79, 29.
I stand by just one. 6Q14, control.
Good.
Clear valid.
Go for
79, good.
Then we last of it. Sam, Lincoln, Adam, Yellow, Boy, Adam, Union, George, Henry, Versa, Rochelle, Robert, Ocean, Charles, Henry, Edward, Lincoln, Lincoln, Edward. His birth's going to be 6/30 of 88, 88 on a female.
Okay.
Robert 95.
Robert 95.
Cal passenger 6, Union, Nora, Union. 625. I'll confirm the plate shortly. Tuolumne and Sunset.
79, 8, 1035.
Yeah, be clear, yeah.
Great, Cameron.
Affirm.
Misdemeanor out of Turlock 44A, bill amount 5,000. Also on probation, searchable for stolen property.
I copy the 1035. Can you send in the probation?
On probation, searchable for stolen property.
I copy.
Robert 9, you clear for that place.
Hey, go ahead.
And give me 6 Union or Union at 628.
Copy. That is coming back to the Toyota series.
Yep. Control 99 traffic.
Thanks, David.
Cow passenger 90, Queen Tom 475, the Toy and Hatch.
Okay.
G7, I'm with him.
Copy.
6Q90 control.
Good.
The 1035 for Eric is confirmed. Did you want to cite all their abstract?
1015.
Okay.
Robert 9, I have a 20 on 1 and clear.
Stand by.
Control 99, since I went back, the only reason.
Stand by. 6 Robert 9, go ahead with yours.
Give me the last one for hyphenated. Martinez, Batista, May, Adam, Robert, Tom, Ida, Nora, Edward, Zebra. Batista is Boy, Adam, Union, Tom, Ida, Sam, Tom, Adam. Versa, Veronica, Victor, Edward, Robert, Ocean, Nora, Ida, Charles, Adam. Date of birth is going to be 12, 11 of 1980 on a X, out of series on Ephraim.
Copy. 929, go ahead with yours.
It should be Union 1919062 on mail.
Okay. Take over, 9
Good.
Clear, Molly.
Got it.
99 control. Clear none issued pending on a
Yeah, you go back and forth. Control 53.
Done.
You show me trans 41 to 15 miles, PSD.
Copy it, 930.
79 security check. 4. Copy.
Control 64, subject stop.
64.
Yeah, in the parking lot just south of 731 Cross Avenue. Go 1 now.
Got it. 295. Can you put me on a separate invest? Same location, show me out with 1. Control 1695, 1021 on 1 when you're ready.
295, go.
The family last name Eager, Mary, Edward, King, Edward, Robert. First of Gage, George, Adam, George, Edward. They were 10-10-1996, 96, verbal and mail.
Copy. 295 control.
Good.
Clear, expired on probation, general search.
Got it. Patterson 35 traffic.
35.
California passenger 9 David X-ray yellow 289. Hi Ida and North Air.
Yep.
67 pre-up for traffic.
67.
The Santa Fe and Hatch on a gray Lexus SUV with no plates. That's
okay.
395.
6Q1 traffic.
61.
9 Nora Mary Union 044 Paradise in Chicago. 2 last names. First of Zavala, Zebra Adam, Victor Adam, Lincoln Adam. Second of Lopez, his name is Zebra. First of Pedro, home spelling date of birth 7/5 of 1971. 71. That's mail out of Patterson. I got a number if you need it.
Copy.
67 file stop, Patchen Bolton.
67. Copy.
Control 6Q4, 29 on 1, clear.
Stand by, please. Patterson 325 control.
Hey,
Clear valid.
I'll go for it. Thank you.
Copy. 6Q4, go ahead.
This is for every license on Diaz, Charles, Adam, Nora, David, Ida, Adam. First is Gabriel, George, Allen, Boy, Robert, Ida, Edward, Lincoln, DOP 79, 13, 1964, 64, verbal, and
67 for one.
Go ahead.
Control 1695, code 4.
K95.
Yeah, female in California, last of Mary, Adam, Robert, Tom, Ida, Nora, Edward, Zebra. First of Mary, Edward, Lincoln, Ida, Sam, Adam, date of birth 9/9/2001.
Q4 control.
Go ahead.
Clear suspended.
I copy this.
7Q7. Go ahead.
6Q7 control.
We on Oregon plate 618, Charles, Mary, Union. Maybe at E. Edward and Wall Street.
7
Blue Dodge.
Date of birth, you said 9/9/2001, correct?
Sure.
Copy. Clear UTL.
I have a deal number. It'll be yellow 7397044. Q1 traffic.
61. Go ahead.
67 control.
Tom, Ocean, Lincoln, 832, Carpenter in Paradise.
Copy.
She's actually on a hyphenated last, Martinez Gonzalez. She's clear valid.
Okay.
Control 7,
Good.
Also, Robert Edward Ida, Lincoln Lincoln Yellow versus Dennis, David Edward Norton, Ida Sam, COE 1014 of 1960, mail out of Mexico. So, this is
64, copy, go for it.
Thanks, Don. Control.
Right?
Yeah.
467.
Go ahead.
I have a VIN number.
Go ahead.
Maybe John, Tom, John, Henry, William, 31 Union, 7600200014.
61, 2.
67. Control.
7.
It's clear. The pending master file to Melissa Southern.
Copy. I'll be good for.
Okay. 61 stuff.
Get mail last of Mary, Charles, Edward, Lincoln, Henry, Edward, Nora, Ida, Edward, first of Neil, Nora, Edward, Adam, Lincoln, 1218 of 92 on a California deal.
And number 2.
Mail last of Green, George, Robert, Edward, Edward, Nora, first of Michael, Mary, Ida, Charles, Henry, Adam, Edward, Lincoln, 3/8 of 1980 on a California ID.
6Q on control. Neil is clear valid. Michael is clear with a 90.
What do you think?
Committee with control.
Security one.
If you have the ETA today, we had a 415 family come in, and I think they're just requesting a 21 at this point. Lincoln.
No plates on a gray for Super Duty, a gear and plus roof.
Yep.
Sean, I can possibly see the gear and Jansen.
Copy.
61 drive.
61.
8 William Victor Yellow 093. Maze and Emerald. Control 7, Cabot.
I'm good.
How about 16 Tom Lincoln 244. We come on in right away.
Control 77, 29.
77 go.
Also, Adam Lincoln, Mary, Edward Ida, David Adam versus Daniel, Thomas County, COE 47 of 84, mail out of Waterford.
77 control.
Okay.
Clear valid on probation general search.
Okay. Control 99, Central on 1, and I'm a VIN for you, Clerk.
Control 64, 1037.
Control 64, 1037, 1038.
64.
And right.
Okay, good.
9 John Fran Charles 422. I'm going to be out with 2 MNC.
Copy.
Control 77.
77 good.
29 on the subject CVs left of Johnson, John, Ocean, Henry, Nora, Sam, Ocean, Nora. First of Richard, B. Robert, Ida, Charles, Henry, Adam, Robert, David. Million of Ray, UV 08, 10, 1976, 76. ID on the model vessel. Code for running. I'm code 4, 1 to 10, 10, 6 officer.
Thank you.
99 should be 1, Frank, Tom, 8, X-ray, 3, Boy, Tom, X-ray, George, Edward, Adam, 99043, 984, pickup.
61 traffic.
61 good.
7 Victor Charles George 471. Carpenter in Kansas.
Copy.
99 control. He clears it. The nav plate comes back clear, expired back in 2024 on a 2016 Ford to Sandoval's Auto Sales out of Nuevo.
After the
Final stop Carpenter. 61 final stop Carpenter in Kansas.
Copy.
464, 29, 214.
Good.
Number 1 is going to be 2 last names, Vargas Latino, going to be Victor, Adam, Robert, George, Adam, Sam, Paul, Adam, Tom, Ida, Nora, Ocean, Puerto Francisco, Frank, Robert, Adam, Nora, Charles, Ida, Sam, Charles, Ocean. DOT is going to be 76, 2006, 06, by Mexican ID.
Can I have the year?
This is for what do you need tonight?
The year.
2006, 06.
Copy. Number 2.
Number 2, also 2 last names. This is Hugh Ramirez, going to be Mary, Ocean, Nora, Tom, Edward, Charles, Ida, Lincoln, Ocean. Ramirez with a C zebra. First of Maria, Mary, Adam, Robert, Ida, Adam. DOB 1216 of 2006 Verbal Machino.
Okay. Q4 and clear UTL for both.
6Q14 traffic.
Q14.
Tower commercial 303. I'm guessing Ocean, sorry, 339. Haddon and Rosina.
Control Q4. Uncle 4, take the comfort.
Q4, I copy. And I'm sorry, Q14, can you deny that, please?
A firm 3, tower commercial 3030339.
Okay.
Q14, 12. Verbal Nora, last of Mary, Charles, Lincoln, Adam, Ian, George, Henry, Lincoln, Ida, Nora, versus John, 10-7 of 1974.
Q14, is he selling John, John?
Paper.
Q14, are you 1035?
Paper.
He's got an unconfirmed out of Modesto. It's a misdemeanor for 25,850A, 25,400A, and 25,850 fee. Bail amount $1,555.50.
I got it.
He's also got an expired deal.
Oh.
Control 61 will be out of 1038 at Meets Program. Would you place Lincoln?
61, I can copy you out where?
That needs to Program.
Okay.
You want to go for
Copy out with 4. Unit in position to 98 with Q1 at the East Boat Ramp.
Q3 start.
Q3.
Q1 2904.
61, good.
First is a male, last of Mary, Adam, Charles, Ida, Edward, Lincoln. First of Jonathan, John, Bishop, Nora, Adam, Tom, Henry, Adam, Nora. 6/8 of 2007 on a California deal.
Number 2.
Male, 2 last names of Mendez, Leon, Mary, Edward, Nora, David, Edward, Zebra, Lincoln, Edward, Ocean, Nora. First of release, Lincoln, Union, Ida, Sam. 5/17 of 2007 on a California deal.
Number 3.
Male, 2 last names of Lovato, Saratino, Lincoln, Ocean, Boy, Adam, Tom, Ocean, Charles, Edward, Robert, Ida, Tom, Edward, Nora, Ocean. First of Miguel, Mary, Ida, George, Union, Edward, Lincoln. 12/9 of 2006 on the California deal.
Number 4.
Verbal on a male, last of Hernandez, Rodez. Henry, Edward, Robert, Nora, Adam, Nora, David, Edward, Zebra. Robert, Ocean, David, Adam, Zebra. First of Fabricio, Frank, Adam, Boy, Robert, Ida, Charles, Ida, Ocean. 4/27 of 2007.
Copy. 61, control. Everybody is clear. Jonathan's valid out of Modesto. Miguel is valid out of Modesto. And Fabricio is valid out of Modesto. I was UTL for Luis.
For Luis, I have a deal number if you'd like it.
Good.
Control 77 Joe. William 1928159.
Sounds good.
Tower commercial 91430 George 2, Cadota and Brigadoon.
Copy.
6Q1, pencil.
Good.
Clear valid.
Copy, I think. Control 77
77, go.
Austin Mendoza, Mary, Edward, Nora, David, Ocean, Zebra, Adam, Principal Luis, Lincoln, United Sam. DB 6/24 of 2004, mail out of Waterford.
727, clear valid.
Control 6528.
Okay.
Child passenger Edward Union 28 North 63. It's going to be a paper plate.
It's clear current 26 BMW, last of Silvis, out of Stockton.
61, we're go for it.
61, copy.
Control 61, we're going to be out with one more down on the program.
61, I copy.
Q4 with them.
Q4, copy.
Multiple county.
Q4 code.
Everybody Gonzalez, Rangel. Let's have you George Ocean, Nora, Zebra, Adam, Lincoln, Edward, Zebra. Robert, Adam, Nora, George, Edward, Lincoln. Triple Javier, John, Adam, Victor, Ida, Edward, Robert. Here for 3/11 1992, 92, for 1 0.
Q14 traffic.
Q14, code.
4 Zebra X-ray Sam 269 Finch and Business Parkway.
Copy.
6Q4, pencil. Clear UTL.
Q14-20
Q14 go.
ID on mail last Venezuela was Varga. Victor, Adam, Lincoln, Edward, Nora, Zebra, Union, Edward, Lincoln, Adam, Lincoln, Ida, Zebra, Adam, Robert, Adam, George, Adam, first of Omar, 8/25 of 1976, 76.
Okay.
You want to go for?
You want to go?
Q14 1835.
Zebra.
I'm not 100% sure it's him. The descriptors are off a little bit. But under just Valenzuela out of Merced County, there's a misdemeanor, a traffic violation bill amount 3,000. The descriptor on that is 57135, black and brown. But I did find a DL match with both last names, and that is 54140, black and black.
I copy. It's me, the 5-4 subject. Go for it.
Copy. He's got a valid deal.
Control 6Q4 by phone.
6Q45.
Number 9 in Hosmer, Iowa 1 mail.
Copy.
Yeah, this is what's going on.
Q4 good.
Still like Steely, Sam, Tom, Edward, Lincoln, Yellow. Christopher, Charles, Henry, Robert, Ida, Sam, Tom, Ocean, Paul, Henry, Edward, Robert, DOB is 1988, 88. What one I know?
Copy. Q4 1035.
Hey, from the
He's got two out of series. The first one is misdemeanor 459.5A, bail amount 10,500. Second one is misdemeanor 11350A, bail amount 15,555. And then he's got a third one that's out of ESO, misdemeanor 6020 Ocean, bail amount 5,555.
Q4, I copy. Can you go ahead and confirm this right now, please?
Hey, firm, did you want a unit 1098?
Hey,
Hey, Dominic.
Go ahead.
Eastern Class Q4 is named in Hosmer.
Q14, I'll do this in 11.
Q14 copy, River 9 on Mark Denny. The scene is information only, fire and ambulance en route to 1048 in front of Pepsi 200 River Road.
6Q4 control. 6Q4 control.
Control 6Q4. I'm going to be code 411-1015.
Q4. 6Q4 in Channel 2.
Q4.
I'm still waiting on confirmation for the SO ones, but the two series are good. Are we abstracting these?
Hey, firm, thank you.
Okay. 6Q4 control. The SO ones confirmed and abstracted as well.
That's okay.
61 got it.
61 go ahead.
9 Victor George 439 California and Emerald.
Copy.
Q1, we're going to be California and Panama.
Q1 copy.
Q1, 29.
SO units obtained on the 1040 unit Pepsi 200 River Road. Welcome conveys in the CPR progress over 1021.
Thank you.
Is verbal on a mail last of Silva, Sam, Ida, Lincoln, Victor Adam, first of Diego, David, Ida, Edward, George, Ocean, 6/25 of 2009.
Is it 2009?
April 09.
6Q on control.
Good.
Clear with an index match on juvie probation.
Copy. Is that probation still active?
There's nothing on it that indicates it's not.
Copy. Does it say what it's for?
Make
6Q1. Can I get a 1011 for a search?
River.
Robert 9, I can be around.
River 9 copy.
Alright, 6Q1, I got one of the things.
Copy.
6Q1, we're good for.
6Q1 copy. Go.
Good.
Please start with 225 to a 415 family, 2519 Clay Ridge Court, RP Marco versus Brother, Wellington, 31 years old, verbal only.
Okay, from now.
Control 225.
225?
P29, the Valentine subject if you have enough.
Hey, my partner's working on it.
Control 226.
226,
You have the RTM? Yep.
sorry, your radio broke. If you were asking if we still on 1021 negative.
2V6, 225. Good. I'm on 21 with the RP. He's advising the brother subjects in the front yard. He's wearing a black hoodie and a blue jeans.
I copied. Did he advise who else is in the house?
Himself and two of his smaller sisters.
Copy. 2B6 to S2. If you're responding from the office, avoid 1st Street. The train has stopped blocking it.
Edward. Control 201.
So on that.
I'll be out with them for a while now.
Season 597.
2S297 on Clay Ridge.
Transfer that way. Transfer that.
We're trying to find a resolution for this call. We'll be 10-6.
Okay.
Q14 traffic.
Q14.
7 King Zebra Robert 680 Morgan and Whitmore.
Q14.
Q14, go ahead.
Rivon Mill, Rasmus Rubber, Edward Sam, Tom Robert Adam, David Adam, First of Jamal, John Adam, Mary Edward Lincoln, 7/27 of 2002-02.
Q14, control. Clear with argument.
GG5, first 4.
Chief backup.
6128.
61, go ahead.
Commercial 6 Robert 49160.
It's clear car on a 2002 Chevy pickup. It's out of Modesto to Las Mario.
Okay. Control 64 traffic.
64, go ahead.
Cal after 9 Frank King X-ray 776 Steve Morgan and Nelson.
What was your house on Morgan?
Updated location is going to be. I'll get updated location right now. 1701 Morgan.
Okay.
Control 64 201.
Q4, good.
Two last names, Stanislaus Murillo, going to be Edward Sam, Paul, Ida, Nora, Ocean, and Vivo, Adam. Barbara, Ida, was Hector, Henry, Edward, Charles, Tom, Ocean, Orwell, Robert, DOB 215-1998, serial numbers needed.
I'm sorry, you have some background. Can you deny both last names?
Hey, from Stanislaus Murillo, going to be Edward Sam, Paul, Ida, Nora, Ocean, Zebra, Adam, Mary, Union, Robert, Ida, Lincoln, Ocean.
Okay. 6 Q4, control.
Go ahead.
He's clear expired under just Espinoza. He's on probation for 27835, no search.
64.
Yeah.
Control 64 traffic.
Q4, go ahead.
Going to be Cal passenger 8 Victor Charles Adam 104. Going to be number 9 and B boy. 64 291 as well. Alpha Zia, Victor Tyler Lincoln Adam. First Arthur Adam Robert Tom Henry Union Robert DOB 214-1979 79 by DL on the mail on the vessel.
Okay. Q4, clear wallet.
444. 64 control.
64.
Control 64 back up.
64, go ahead.
It'll be just out of number 9 over. This is just wrong.
60 for 10 lane.
Go for it.
Right. 327 control.
Good.
327 325. Start towards the security check. 101 James Park Avenue. For an activation from a vehicle, it should be a white 2026 Dodge Ram 3500. Unknown plate pinging to this location.
It's what you said.
3Q7.
28th of April.
3Q7, it's clear current 26 Ram out of Rancho Cordova.
3Q5, we're code 4.
3Q5 copy. That's 6S1 control.
6S1.
You have a chance to check out this assist on I-5.
Control 6S1.
Yes, good.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys communicated with this guy or not. Like, can we find out if he's got a gas can and money to pay for it?
Copy, we're trying to text him now.
Copy. Once I get that further information, I'll make a decision.
Q81 control. Q81 and 6. You want to check your transfer code data? 6S1 control.
6S1.
He responded that he has the money and can buy a gasoline canister at the station.
6S1, I copy. You can, dispatch deputy. Control 6S1, I just spoke with a Q95, he'll be en route.
Yep.
Control 6Q95.
Go ahead.
Yes, one available to start is my 1011. One that's a negative on the reviewing reports. Control 66, I can be 1011.
I'll advance him.
66, 6Q95. Correct. Yeah, I'll be sufficient. You got 10-8, thank you. Good luck. Control 6S1 traffic.
6S1, go ahead.
7 Yellow Lincoln Williams, 773. Howard and Ingram Creek. Control K25, log on.
K25, go ahead.
That's 03203. I'll be 10-8, good morning. Control 6S1.
6S1, go ahead.
You can bring me in, put me on 95 school. I'm working 97. Control 6S1.
6S1, go ahead.
Did he indicate if he was on the shoulder or at the rest stop?
He should be on the shoulder.
Got it. Control 6S1, clear for a flight.
Go ahead.
Cal Commercial 88429 Union 3 in Albiallo.
Copy, do you need the return?
Negative unless it's like 10:35.
225 Central.
225, copy. Control 6S1.
6S1.
We started on courtesy transport back to Wesley. I'll be briefly out of county for a second.
Yep.
Q95, that's one. You can 10-point ship. Copy, thank you, Sarge. S1, Q95. Good. Yeah, I looked around and Q190 is the Chevron. They still got into. Copy. Control 6S1, I'm at 97 of the Chevron. Control 225, 1028.
TQ.
Cal Commercial 70821, John 4.
Clear current, 2016 Ford Lasso Williamson off of Patterson.
Copy. Control 6S1.
6S1, good.
We'll be back en route to the rest stop with fuel.
Hey.
Control 225, 1029.
TQ, go. We're being given 20 minutes, 602, 1037, and 5642 Aspen Court. And we were advising there was an evacuation lockout yesterday, and they can see people inside the residence now.
Last of William, Ida Lincoln, Lincoln, Ida Adam, Mary Sam Ocean, first of John Ocean, Sam, Edward, Paul Henry, being first 10-10-1967 on the mill.
TQ5, clear valid.
225, 4.
TQ5, yeah.
Control 6S1.
6S1, good.
His rig's been refueled, and he'll be back on his voyage. Q95, he just passed that bridge. There's a turnout for a full dirt road that you can take across back over. Copy. I think I found it.
That's a unit BOL 30 CHP in the area of Jennings and West Main. RP facing 2 males are standing in the middle of the roadway, possibly trying to hitchhike. Control and control.
Tell on a copy. I'll be interrupt.
Yep.
Control 201. Can you 29 to mill half? See if there's an RO on file.
Piper. 201, I'm UTL on a route.
Copy. Friends over at her a couple days ago, or something similar.
201 control.
Yep.
Responsible now in the backyard trying to open over there, please.
Copy. 197. Flag open the front door.
Paper.
Control 225, can we have a drone and a K9 unit?
Six Robert 9 control.
Robert, where are we going, please? Correction, 201. We have verbal CA for 602. 201, we'll be awesome.
Yep.
225, saying any incoming can 2022.
257.
Control K20, can you show me 10-8, and then clear the copy and invest.
K20, go.
SI units BOL authority of MPD for a recent 10851, a white Subaru Forester, Nevada plate 76 King 480. Was last seen
3425 Christie Drive in the there, and that's King Robert Ida Sam Tom Ida Drive.
was last seen westbound Beckwith from Fisk at 0520 hours. Responsible is a Phoenix Young born in 95 on H&S making 1044 West.
And in case you want to have a secondary address, units could potentially be activated during this invest if you want to notate it in the call.
Okay.
3309 Berg, Boy Edward Robert George Avenue in the there as well.
And you said you just want it miscellaneous in the current call you're on?
Yeah, from units will be C5 at both locations.
Control 6S1.
6S1, guys.
We got a 97 on that Las Palmas and Jennings call. If I'm reading it right, they're supposed to be on Jennings, or is there like two separate instances going on here?
It's just one page sheet just advising that area is actually going to be PD, so they have a call.
That copy. I'll still handle so that PD doesn't have to drive all the way out here.
Thank you. Yeah, got it.
Control 1695. Can you show me 97 on S1 call?
Q95. Are you already at Jennings, or are you behind me on West Main?
I'm at Jennings and Polker.
Cover that. I mean, you check Jennings, I'll just drive straight through West Main.
Yeah. Control 295. I found him on Jennings, just north of West Main.
SI units BOL for road hazard authority of CHP and B7 at Cogswell and Montpelier for an oil or another slick substance on the roadway.
Control 6S1.
6S1?
This is another classic case of being out of gas.
10 more 6S1. 627 control. Clear copy. 27. Heavy search of the 459 that just occurred. It's going to be 20960 Yosemite Boulevard. Two white male adults in a red pickup with a trailer on it. 488 items from the property, possibly panels and metals. They were last seen going westbound on Yosemite. Yeah, 21. 10 more.
Control S1.
S1?
I'll be providing a courtesy transport. It'll be on Grayson west of Carpenter.
Yeah. Control 67. 67. On the phone with the ERP, he stated that he doesn't actually live there. The property's owned by MID, and that this actually occurred at about 5:20 this morning. Control 67. I'll continue to be en route to secure the property. Do we have a contact for MID? We'll give them a call, see if we get a 1021 for a representative. Copy. 6Q7 control. Q7. Is there like some kind of sign or something that says it's MIDs? I'm not sure. I'm not there, but the guy who called in claimed that it was MIDs.
Copy. MID's still looking, but so far they're not seeing anything on their maps for that being their property.
Copy.
Control 6S1. The transport is complete. We're into Grayson and Laird, where their vehicles parked.
Control 6192 log on.
6192, sir?
That's 04473.
Copy, all right.
Control S12. Can you log me into Q on as L90, please?
I copy.
SSC units holding a security check in the 38B.
Control K22 on.
K22, good.
Same 01696. Good morning, and can you attach me to K20, please?
Copy, good morning.
Control K23, log on.
K22, good.
S03216, and attachment K20's call, please. And good morning.
I copy, good morning.
Control 6Q7.
Okay, the 6Q7?
Hey, firm, can you put me 10-8 and leave this call open till the ID calls back?
I copy that.
Control 382, log on.
382, copy, good morning.
Good morning. How me today?
Control 1.
Control 1.
Control transferring one mail to PST. Knowledge indicated.
Copy.
Control K25.
K25.
Attachment K20, please.
Copy.
Control K12 on.
K12, copy, good morning.
Good morning. Control 3K4, log on.
3K4, I copy, good morning.
Good morning.
Control J2 log on.
7, copy, good morning.
Thank you.
Control K81 log on.
K1, I copy, good morning.
Good morning.
SOC units holding 14,032B. 260 South Santa Ana. Apartment A Adam. RP versus Son. Born in 2012, HMJ, wearing a black shirt. 242. His father, unfortunately, was refused. RP versus Son has a mood disorder and is not on his medication.
Control Stars 19, log on.
Stars 19.
Sam 05176 495 9094. Good morning.
Good morning.
Riverbank, TK7 log on.
2K7, I copy, good morning.
2G call traffic.
Good.
Copy. Thank you. Good morning.
Then X-ray, Henry Yellow, 297, Oakdale and Patterson. Copy. Control 2K6 log on. Good morning.
2K6, I copy, good morning.
Control 329, log on.
329, I copy, good morning.
Good morning. Can you show me 1070 equipment?
Yes, sir.
Control 2G call 35. Copy. Control 2K5 log on.
2K5, I copy, good morning.
Good morning. 909 control.
Good.
Sorry, there's a two off for 23 on the 3. Grey Dodge Charger at the Black Top was serving out the right away. Last seen northbound Santa Fe. And correction, looks like it's going out of the city, will by CHP.
Right, copy.
Okay.
Was it a Challenger or a Charger?
Dodge Charger, 8 Union Queen David 540, block top. SSC units for info fires and outbreak structure fire. Corner of Emerald in California for abandoned house on fire. SSC units holding up 415 Paling Keys, 4413 Maud. B versus HBD, brother, Leroy Smith, 193, 232, RP by kicking her. 41 is refused. Stanislaus GOA in a red Bronco. No DOT on 7th Street.
Control K20.
K20.
6LA control.
For invest, can you change our location to Dutcher Middle School in Turlock? And then, can you start me, whoever the 6 car is, please?
Check for carry trip.
I copy.
6 Robert 6 control.
I just have them come to attack 1 for 3030 with us, please.
I copy that.
6 Robert 6 control.
Go for Robert 6.
K units are requesting you. So you get 3030 with them on as attack 1.
Yeah.
Control 2G12 traffic.
2G12.
8 Mary Paul Boy 325, Oakdale and Westgate.
Copy.
Control 2G12 35.
I copy. 6L3 control.
Good.
Copy the subs.
I copy.
Control 2G12 traffic.
Good.
9 Zebra, David Charles, 486. Estelle, just north of Patterson.
Okay.
Control 2G12 35.
Copy.
Control 2G12 traffic.
Good.
6 William David Tom, 471. The Stanislaus and Estelle.
Copy. Prevent unit 1282 holding 1500 tax in front of the school.
Control 2G12 35.
Copy. You want to start towards 1182?
Okay, what was the place?
In front of Crossroads Elementary School.
I'll be from whatever name is Estelle.
Okay.
Control 2G12. I'm going 97. Big vehicle description.
Black Honda Civic and a black pickup truck. They said they should be parked on Saxon.
Copy, M97 on them.
Copy.
2G12. Feel on the plate.
Thanks for being good.
6 Lincoln, George Zebra, 231.
Copy.
2G12 log plate, 2.
Good.
8 Lincoln, Tom George, 924.
Copy.
3 Tom 6, have it.
Good.
Legacy plate, Boy Lincoln, King Victor, Lincoln Tom, Los Alamos and Sycamore.
Copy.
Control 2G12, 410-6.
Control 6L3, clear for 29 by 27.
6L3, good.
David 6906297 on a mail-off socket.
Copy. Larry Feldman is at 85% 35.
Copy.
Then Naver.
Naver.
Copy. He has a misdemeanor out of Santa Clara County SO, FTA for 594, almost 5,000. He's valid and negative probation.
Copy.
Control 3 Tom 6. 29.
810-6.
Rocco Sander, Tim Adam Norris, David Henry Union, first of Army. Henry Adam Robert, Mary Adam Tom, 040459.
You have the background. Can you send in just the first name?
Harmeet, Henry Adam Robert, Mary Ida Tom.
Okay. He's clear validating information.
Hello. Control 6.
Robert 6.
Can you show me transporting 1 to SSC?
I copy.
603, I'm code 4.
10-4. SSC units holding at 1037, Curzon and Clausen. Homer in the area advising there's 3 males with dogs been camped in front of the address since 0500.
Control 2G12, 10-8. 2G12, Robert.
2G12.
9 Robert Henry Yellow 655. Leon Morel and
Copy. 603, control. Start towards this call, 1605 Imperial. I have a bail bondsman advising he has a subject with a warrant detained and he's rushing an 98 to transport him to PSC. He's at the Fire Station 10 parking lot.
Okay. Control 2G12, 10-8, side.
Copy.
Okay, 20, hasn't been advised yet. We are code 4 with 1015.
I copy.
And you can actually change our location back to the Christie address for a search warrant service.
I copy.
2G12, Robert.
2G12.
9 John, Frank Tom, 661, Patterson and Calendar.
Copy.
Control 6.
Robert 6.
Can you show me transport, please?
Control 2G12, 10 inside.
Copy.
Control 3 down 6, Robert.
3 jump 6, up.
A1 13 860 flying gas period person.
Copy.
Control 2G12, Robert.
2.
9X3 Tom Edwards, 077, Patterson and Estelle.
Copy.
2G12, 10 inside.
Copy.
3 down 6, Robert.
3 jump 6.
7 George Henry 847 Arco AM/PM off Park Service Ferry.
Copy.
Central 618.
618.
Can you start 3 rotational tows?
I copy.
I'm going to be towing 3 vehicles. If one of the tows want to take 2 of the vehicles, that should be fine.
I copy.
2G12, Robert.
2G12.
Cell personal Robert John, Mary Edward, Lincoln Ocean, Patterson and Oakdale.
Copy.
3 down 6, Robert.
3 jump 6.
9 Zebra Boy William at 927 Spring Park Center.
Copy.
Control 2G12, 10 inside.
Control 3 down 6, 29.
3 down 6.
Delta Castillo, Charles Adamson, Tom Ida, Lincoln Ocean, First of Emmanuel, Edward Mary, Adam Nora, Union Edward Lincoln, 10/29 of 2004.
Copy. 3 down 6, clear validating information.
690 code 4.
Cover.
Control 212, Robert.
2G12.
9 William Edward, 818, Patterson and Oakdale.
Copy.
Control K20. Control K20. We're completely code 4. You can clear all units from this invest and close at 1B.
Copy.
Control 2G12, 10 inside.
Copy.
Control K25 10A.
Copy.
603, control.
Go ahead.
Can you take the screen for a call? It could be a 1037-602 call from last night.
Copy.
619, control.
Go for 619.
Can you check your screen for a 487? Looks like it came in about 9:30. for LPD jurisdiction, that was actually a BDS. So there is some suspect info in there, so if you need a deputy response, 619 Central.
Right.
For the suspect plate in the vehicle, it has release of liability, comes up to a Paul Jimenez at 1509 Sunrise, and then it has release liability that same date that the Visine 1022, that's for the seller info. That's the Sunrise location. Looks like that possibly could be the suspect.
Hi, copy. I'll go and register a minute to what I have.
I copy.
Patterson 301 traffic.
301.
8 Queen Yellow 433. We'll be at T&M Market on 33.
10-9 the market?
T&M Market on 33.
I copy. 471 Central. Can you share your screen for a call?
Yeah, and plan on doing your here.
201.
One left. Flores, Frank, Lincoln, Ocean, Robert, and Stanford. It goes to Econ Spelling. Did 226666.
Number 2.
Austin Garza, George Adam Robert, first name Dolores, David Ocean Lincoln, Ocean Robert Edward Sam. Date of birth 1/19/81.
Control 601 traffic.
601.
9 Adam Zebra George 365. The Empire in Tioga.
10-4.
601. Can I get the return on that plate?
Is send a clear and Corona 78 Caddy to a Joseph out of Stockton. And correction, it's going to be expired. Negative, sorry.
601. Can I send you that plate again? It's coming back. Yeah, I pulled over a Jeep.
I got you. 10-9 the plate.
9 Adam Zebra George 356.
I copy. I'll rerun it. That's the wrong plate. And 601, that is a clear and expired on a 2016 Jeep out of Modesto, 804 Benson. 2016 Jeep Utility. 301 Control. Flores is clear, valid, negative probation, protected party, and a third CPO, restrained, and Ignacio, her AK is clear. Jose is clear, valid, formal probation for 4592, 4573.6 general search terms, 100 yards, stay away from 565 Clover, AK is clear.
Company 2, 10-6, sir.
29.
Janet.
So, 49.
Last Janet, you have background. 10-9 your call sign, go with your 29.
Control 601. 2901 will be last phonetically. Charles, Adam, Nora, Adam, David, Yellow. First with Anthony, Colin Spelling. UV 1222 of 6666.
Okay. 601 clear, expired, negative probation.
Control 601, code 4 offsite.
I copy. 617, I copy your own screen for the 1053. Patterson 301, control security check.
Good for 10-6, sir.
10-4.
Control 601.
601.
You captured L90.
Affirm.
Control April 40, 20 to plate.
April 40.
20 plate 4 William David Lincoln 318.
Going to be clear current on 2015.
Control 690. You guys go for it, sir.
Copy L90. 619, control security check.
619, go for it.
Controls, first 19, log off.
619, copy. 618, control.
Go for 619.
Check your screen for a call.
Am I already on a call?
You are not. Do you have a switch on a call? For 618?
Copy, 1023.
Control 618, I copy.
Copy 618. 614, Control.
Go ahead.
Can you check your screen for a call 1021 request?
Copy.
Control 201 invest.
201.
I think Frank Victor 117 will be in the Seymour parking lot. I was on.
Yeah, this is Riverbank 2L1 and I copy.
1.
I copy. Just confirming you're with one. I copy.
Control 201, turn
201.
We lost of Taylor, Tom Adam Yellow, Lincoln Ocean Robert, first of Douglas, David Ocean Union, George Lincoln Adam, Sam, they were 11, 18, 19, 66, 66, ID off of mail out of Escalon.
I copy. Clear valid, negative probation.
Happy. 201, good for.
241.
Control 208 traffic.
28.
Cal Commercial 70128 Mary 1. Patterson Hotel Asheville Light.
I copy.
Control 208. Turn on, clear.
208.
So visual, Victor Ivan, George, Ivan Lincoln, versus Diego, David Ida, Edward George, Ocean, Theodore, 5 2008, 08, mail, deal out of Riverbank.
208, clear valid information.
208, 437, swing out one.
437.
Boy, Edward, David, Ocean, Yellow, first name of Robert, Robert, Ocean, Boy, Edward, Robert, Tom, date of birth, 09/29/1987, 87.
Control 604 traffic.
604.
Cal Commercial 63046 Robert 2. Will be 9th and Stella. And keys.
10-4. 604, Control.
Good.
437, control.
1022.
Good. Clear valid DL. He's the restraint party and a served CPO, and he's going to be on PRCS for 273.5 a.m.
Control 37 copies.
Control 301.
301.
Control 604. I'm fine, I'm clear.
Oh, yeah. Sure, PS. North Park.
I copy. 301.
604.
Here be the last, David Edward, Paul Adam Zebra, hyphen, Victor Edward Lincoln Ida Zebra, first of Emerson, Edward Mary, Edward Robert Sam Ocean North, date of birth 11/2/3888. I have to go with it.
I got you. 604, control.
Control 603, stop, just stop.
603.
Good.
Clear valid information.
Give me on Seattle 1.
Copy all 3.
Copy, thank you.
Control 604, control.
10-4, 604.
Control 201, traffic.
201.
Ford, Tom, Sam, George, 575 will be in front of 2520 Gallery Drive.
What's the last 3 of the plate?
575.
10-4.
Control 603, I'm good for.
10-4, 603.
No. 201. Edward David, William Adam, Robert David, Sam, first Brian, Boy Robert, Ida Adam Nora, Edward 0510 1977 77 DL Alpha Male out of Riverbank. Copy. 201 control. 201 control. Going for 201. Clear expired, no probation. Copy. Copy. Code 4106 on site. Cover.
Control 601 traffic.
601.
Be on unreadable plate will be Empire and Monterey.
What kind of vehicle is that?
Will be a Gray Ford Ranger.
10-4.
601 final stop Monterey and Thrasher.
10-4.
601 clear for plate.
L1, go ahead.
Looks like it's going to be a temporary plate 39263 William 2.
10-4.
Control 601 29 when you're clear.
That one good.
Rosas Sanchez with a Z Zebra first of Julio. John, Union, Lincoln, Ida, Oceans, date of birth 8/6/03/03.
Copy. 601, do you have a tail number?
Negative.
601, copy. I'm UTL. Clear.
Hi, copy. We'll try to get updated information.
Copy.
Control 601, I have a DL whenever you're clear.
Good.
California ID, yellow, 8129915.
301, copy of plate.
Yeah, what's the plate?
And 301. Demon State, Robert Lincoln, 8-4, Ocean, David will be at North Park, separate than the other incident.
I copy. Are you going to be on a traffic stop?
Negative HB.
Copy 301. At North Park.
601, control. Clear expired DL out of Stockton, no probation.
Control 601, go for it.
Number 601. 301, control. I'm not sure if I got a full plate. Can you send the plate?
Robert Lincoln, 8-4, Ocean, David, it's British Columbia on Pine.
I copy. Plate for another country.
Copy, I'm pickle.
10-4. Harrison 305, control.
305.
Check your screen for a call 1021 request.
Copy.
Control 306.
306.
Can you log me back on, please? Sam 04472.
Control 301. Confirming the fuckery 1141 is for an assault. Copy, can you show me 1097? Control 301. Yeah, with the Joe Aguilar, fell and hit his head, negative 242.
Copy, EMS control. 301 control.
Copy for 301.
EMS is stage, are they needed?
Yeah, we're currently looking at the patient right there.
Copy.
Usually call 40, 29 on 1.
Hey, call 40.
Last of Rocha, Robert Ocean, Charles Henry Adam, first of Roberto, Robert Ocean, Boy, Edward, Robert, Tom Ocean, 348282. 1035 only on him, please.
Copy, negative 1035.
Copy, we have one detained.
Over.
Control 301.
301.
Make a note that an X-ray, first step to Braun and last step Broughton is 97 with me here on scene.
I copy.
Yeah.
201 control.
Good.
Check your screen for 21 request.
Copy.
Control 6531, subject stop.
Good.
You got transfer.
Copy.
Control 6090, traffic.
L90, good.
There's going to be no plates on the black Kia on the 7th and May.
Copy. Reverting TT12 control.
Good.
Signature, it's a BOL for a 2303 driver in the parking lot, 2225 Clarabelle. It's a silver Mercedes, unknown plate, drifting around corners, left seen towards the misters.
Control 6090. Oh, yeah,
6090.
California ID number YLO 4846498, last of Robinson out of Modesto.
604 control.
Right.
Check your screen for an invest.
131, go for 115.
Cover.
690 control. Very well, thank you for patience.
I copy. Just confirming last of Robinson, first of Jonathan.
Abram 121698.
Affirmative. Control 6090. Were you confirming he advised you on probation?
Negative. I'm detailing probation under his name. This was for a Jonathan Dept.
Negative. 1216 1998. I'm good for.
I got
Control 690, I got a 28 by men.
690, good.
Team Nora, Adam Frank Union, 4 Adam, 2-1, David 5, 7-3, 5-1-2.
Coming back, clear, expired 1/12 of 25 on the 2013 Kia 4-door. Has a pending master file to Mr. Robinson, 1064 Teakwood Street, Control. 617, Control.
617.
Check screen for call 1021 request.
Hi, copy, I'm code 4.
375.
329.
9 Lincoln David Tom 356. We have number 5 in it, Frank.
10-4.
531,
329, 1050.
531.
Lassa Promo, Robert Ocean, Mary Ocean, First Jesus, John Edward, Sam Union Sam, date of birth 8/13/2001, 01, California ID on the mail.
329, 50, 29, when you're clear.
329 9097, Sam, I just want. 6431, clear for 1035. Showing a half 2 misdemeanors out of Modesto. The first is for park curfew. Bail amount is 260. The second is also for park curfew. Bail amount 260. He is 14-6, pending auto lab service needed for excessive BAC. Showing a have court probation, negative other probation.
Confirm an abstract, please.
Neighbor. 329, guys. Patterson, 305, 1011, 301, 301, control.
Loss of Ocean Union, first of John, Ida, Adam, Yellow, Adam, Nora, did with 225-9292. CDL, back to the Patterson.
Okay.
Good.
It's going to be a 370 encampment in the alley, E. Edward and South 8. 329, clear validating information.
Relay. Control 382.
322.
382. That 370 is going to be handled tomorrow with code enforcement.
I copy. 301 copy.
There you go. Or vote tonight.
305 copy.
There you go. 329,
10-3, 601, 1011, 602, 602, control. Going to be a 1601 Oregon. RP Nuno Rodriguez. Should come early. 823 of 76. Responsible put the RP in a headlock. 1141 refused. Female Chia on foot. West down Tioga. Has a brown and white dog. Front of she's also. And correction on her description. Blue shirt with blue, black, and white pants.
So we'll take that off.
And it's 12.
Not going to be the same RP that we have for Oregon Park. But you can really 20 hours.
And it's 12. I didn't copy your radio. It's really scratchy.
I was just seeing if this is going to be the same RP for the Oregon call. Earlier the day before yesterday, he called in the morning on an act from Oregon Park.
I'll check the history.
Control 3212 197.
10-212. 603, 1011, 6014, 6014, clear copy, 415. L14, you clear copy? 6531, control.
Yes.
1035 is confirmed.
Can you abstract the PSD, please?
Your low volume.
However, go ahead.
The 10530 PD, they had a drop transfer caller at 1115 Herndon. The female was trying to report a domestic violence at this residence that she needed law enforcement right away, but she was in front next to a vehicle and line was disconnected. Tried to call back, went straight to voicemail.
Can you abstract, please?
Copy.
Control 212.
212.
I'm ETL, it's GOA, close down 1B, please.
10-4. 602, control.
Good.
Turns out the S unit was asking if it was the same RP from a prior 415 a few days ago, and that's going to be an affirmative.
Copy. Control 609. Do we have any priors at the residence or with the 21?
I'll check. LID control.
Good.
Utility priors with the 1021 or address.
Okay.
Control 309, 370.
329.
The west of 7th, south of F. Frank, in the alleyway with several encampments. I got HBC to call.
I got you. I think that's the 13K2 that code enforcement was handling tomorrow.
Control 309.
329.
The camps are unoccupied, but there's a lot of abandoned property, and there's also 2 dogs tied up, left unattended. Can you notify ACO?
Thanks, Governor.
Control 690. Maybe out with the RP. You clear for 28.
LID, I covered you. Just confirming you with the RP and the 28.
Okay, for my might be out with her. 28 is going to be 9. Nora Adam Mary 657. Should come back to Mercedes.
So what's the last 3?
657.
I got you.
Control 30958, 1B10.
Okay. LID, it's clear current 2020 Mercedes to Alejandra Oliveras out of Turlock.
I copy. I don't think she saw me. She's driving southbound on Herndon. I'm going to stop her here. Herndon and Joyce.
I copy. LID.
And Control 690, we're stopped at 1317 Herndon.
I copy. LID.
Control 12.
That's 12.
Thank you for correct. Allison X just came out, walking across the street. We'll check on her.
I copy. That's 12.
Is it going to be 11:15 or 11:17?
It came in at 11:15. It's just pinging in that area, and LID is at 13:17.
I got it. Yeah, I think she walks across the street and maybe went into the Fresh Mart.
I didn't copy. Went into what location?
The liquor store on the corner.
I copy.
329 traffic.
329.
8 Frank David Victor 200. Los Palmas number 7.
10-4.
L90 12. Is that going to be the ERP?
Affirmative. Let's go 4. Other units can go 10-8. She advised that she didn't want it to escalate to a DV. That's a civil issue. Control 618.
618.
California DL number F Frank 4279103. Possible this.
She's clear valid negative probation, protected party and other CPO, restrained as a Jesus Frias.
329 29.
329-9100-9100. Go ahead.
Positive Lincoln Union George Ocean. Positive Georgia Union Adam David Adam Lincoln Union Paul Edward. There was 9-19-93-93. CDL. XO Paris.
Okay. 329, clear valid negative probation, AK is clear.
Alright.
Control as well. I'm just getting back on thing with L90.
And just confirm that was S12? Okay.
329 25.
Great.
329 traffic.
Go ahead.
California Black and Yellow 4, Mary, Edward, Henry, Tom, Adam, Boy. I'll be at Los Palmas and the Weber by the skate park.
Great.
Apologies, Los Palmas and Ford.
Great. Riverbank 201 Tom.
Go ahead.
So we Hazard, California Avenue Elementary School. An RP advising this vehicle is driving erratically, parked in red zones, and traffic is at a complete dead stop.
329 58 and 29. Control 329 58 and 29. L2 or go for
10 for L2.
329 radio check.
You're on, Clark.
There's nobody on channel 2.
I'll check with her. She's not hearing anything on channel 2. You want to try again?
Control 329
329
58 and 29.
9101, go ahead.
Positive King, Adam, Union, Robert, versus Mary, Adam, Noah, David, Edward, Paul. Date of 9-13-93-93. CDL, X out of Patterson.
Copy. 615, 11, Robert 6, Robert 6, control. Page 9, clear valid, pending on lot, negative probation.
Sure.
It's going to be a foster team family, 209 East Clawson, off of Lander. RP is getting 10-5 info from his aunt, Lisa, who's 97 as a resident, advising her sister, Rebecca Stuvio, 411 of 85, then 415 with her boyfriend, Hector, still in his 40s. Responsible on meth, or the male's on meth, and the refusing to let the RP, or correction, the aunt, pick up the female inside the residence. The responsible male drives a black Infiniti sedan with a white hood, 7 Adam, John Robert 276, which is parked in front of the residence.
Holding a 5-light copy from Wesley.
I copy all 5.
309 site.
703
Control 6, all 90.
All 90.
If I'm not mistaken, I think we have priors at 209 East Clawson. It should be abandoned.
I copy, I'll check.
I had a prior 602 from at least 2 weeks ago over there.
I copy.
Control 3K4 invest.
3K4.
I'll be at American Eagle, Sperry, with the subject with 1035.
I copy. Patterson 305, can you drive that way?
No.
And 3K5. It's going to be a Jalen Richard, 3/14/2003. Black over black.
I copy. 3K5.
He's walking west, Sperry, from American Eagle.
Okay.
Jalen? North side of the road.
3K4, you're swinging Cherokee.
Every time I'm southbound American Eagle now, it's Clearwater. 10-9 is description.
It's going to be black over black.
And then break K5 pound 9. You guys just need to stop, correct?
3K5, 1 again point, facing westbound.
Retreat into the 3K5, facing westbound, 1 again point. And channel 1 is the moving with the traffic on channel 1 to 3K5.
On 1037, they're detaining 1 now. 309, 1 detain 1034.
I copy. It's a channel 1 to be 1034 on channel 1. And channel 1 is 1034, traffic on channel 1.
3-2, good work, Lieutenant.
Patterson
2.
Copy 3A2.
3K5. Can you start us a cage unit and can you confirm this track that one for this one?
Copy 301 and 05 are en route. Yeah, it's in the explosive area check. Reports the sounds of shots heard in the area, 4130 Lander. RP's advising heard about 9 gunshots within the past 15 minutes. Nothing else that's heard.
Control 6, L90.
L90, looks like I'm getting another call. Go ahead.
Yeah, copy. It was just in reference to that 216 Simmons, I believe.
Hey, firm. It's another call from 216 Simmons Road. The Sherlock P transfer of a loud verbal in the background. RP's not answering questions. It's going to be the same parties. The RP's Lisa, advised her niece, is trying to pick up items from her boyfriend, Hector Escobar, 36 years old. And units en route. RP's also advising that earlier today, the responsible now hit the head with a chair.
Control as well. You still have them on the line. Can you find out where the responsible is at?
Hang on, let me check.
309,
10-3 something. 3K5 control. 3K5 control. 1035 is confirmed and abstracted.
Copy. Thank you.
S12 control. I am trying to understand and get some clarification from the stuff that's on the call right now. It looks like the Lisa subject is advising she got a ride from a friend and a male forced the RT into his vehicle, took her down the street where he stores her items, and then grabbed the Lisa subject, and they were in a verbal 415.
I got it. I'm going to go to the Simmons address first. Stuff like that.
The Simmons or the Clawson?
Simmons was the second call, correct?
Eighth on the second call, and it looks like that's where they're at right now at the Simmons location.
Okay. I'll head there first, about 2 minutes.
I copy. S12 control.
Good.
Another customer call writing a Hector Escobar 916 of 90. Black shirt, blue jeans. Is known to drive the black Infiniti with a hood, and a few days ago he was in possession of a rifle. It's unknown if he's still armed.
I got it. That's 12 hours there. Good. Just for info that shop call was across the street from the Clausen contractor. Yeah, I copy. If you're close, I am 97 on 7. They'll stand by for contact. Good.
Burbank 2K6 control.
Control 2K6. I'm good for action now.
I copy.
Robert 6. That's all. Is you in the Clausen? I'm circling back to 7. Yeah. Control 6 on there. Show me out on Simmons with S12.
Copy on my dear.
That was 6 Lincoln 9.
Section 6 Lincoln 9. S12 control.
Good.
Not sure if I advised yet, but the responsible has been drinking and needs to be on H&S. Crystal meth. Last location, she's supposed to be in front of 216 Simmons. Let me check.
Cover that. We are 97. If you can, try to get a hold of her and have her step out to the road, please.
Yes, sir.
Girl 90, check that out.
L90 10-9.
Well, that was that call. We just identified that. Yeah, right with the front. Robert 6. That's all.
Good.
Yeah, we can't really see through the defense, but you were up. Looks like they're dead out.
Copy. Very much. And for info, I tried calling Lisa, and no answer.
And control on the 12. L9 has eyes on a subject on the property, possibly the responsible.
I copy. Is this at the 216 Simmons?
Yeah. Yeah, looks like it might be hitting in the car.
I copy. Do you need 1033?
Yeah, what's the responsible name?
That's what I could copy. You need 1033?
Stand by for now. What's the responsible name?
Responsible is Hector Escobar.
I copy that. Visual over 6, 20
Robert 6.
7, Adam John Robert 276.
Can copy. 10 minutes late.
7, Adam John Robert 276.
10-4.
We can 5 and 2 1 that's in the call.
Robert 6 is an 06 Infiniti to Maria Lopez out of Turlock.
Carry.
Control call.
S12.
Okay, the one we have here is a friend of the property owner. He does not know who this person is in the black Xfinity on the property. They should still be by the car. Property owner is by this person. We have him leave.
I copy S12.
Please, I'll come out please.
S12, I didn't copy the last. Your radio's really muffled.
1033. He's coming out to us.
So channel 3, 1033 for S12 at Unit Boston. Yes, channel 76, chapter control 1.
We can find, we got one to take.
I copy.
6 on 90. Okay.
One to take.
Main check.
L90 are clear in that car.
Houston 909 control and clear copy. Units are covering your unit with priority traffic other than 1 detain. I copy.
Good.
I'll send you a 2002. It's going to be a 2929 5th Street. Just occurred. RP parked black Suburban on 2002 black sedan. Responsible last northbound on 5th.
I copy. Control 619, clear. Vehicle clear, 1031.
Copy. SS channel 1, CB 1033, 1033 for my.
Control 612.
612 back.
Okay, we have Hector detained. The other person that's here said that there was an ex that was here with him that took off prior to our arrival in a burgundy-colored truck, possibly a Dodge Ram.
I copy S12. And S12 has anything in it to check the Austin location yet?
Negative. Give us just a second to try to figure this out. And then I guess I can head over there with one other unit.
I copy S12.
Control 609.
619.
Are we able to get somebody on the Hector subject line with GL if you want?
One, I had to restart him. 40 seconds.
Control number 6.
Number 6.
Can we try again to get a hold of Lisa?
Affirm.
Control 609.
609 or 90? 609 control.
6L90. Myself, Robert 6, and 6S12 are going to be making contact there. 209 clock.
I got you,
Good.
That's Affirm. He's clear valid negative probation under just lost of Escobar. He is pursuing party in the served DBCPO protecting a Randy.
6S12 control.
Good.
My partner's on the 1021 with Lisa. She is, looks like in Hill one already, and she is with the victim, Rebecca.
Can she turn around in that area with her?
She's trying to get her to do that. That's all control. They're now from Hill Chief in the red Dodge Ram pickup.
Cover that. I have N98 at the Clawson address, please.
And they refuse to go to the house. They want to meet at Clawson and Lander.
That is perfect. Thank you. Control 3K4.
3K4.
Horizon 3K4, F21 to the DFU.
Up.
3Y21.
3Y21.
That's 3Y21.
Copy, good afternoon.
I'm going to check for an Alpha mic on channel 1. Alpha mic, channel 1. Open mic on SO channel 1. Open mic.
Control 12, RP 97.
Copy, S12.
Anderson, 301 traffic.
301.
8 William Ocean Charles, 157. Be at the Shell on Rogers.
Control 12.
S12.
Yeah, we're still on this Clawson call in the area of the shots call. You can probably go ahead and jam that one. There's nothing heard or seen.
I copy, S12.
301. 301, there.
301, good.
Last of the thing, Ida, Nora, George Henry, first of Law, George Union, Robert, Lincoln, Ave, Lincoln, date of birth 12/20 of 2002-02.
I copy. 301, negative information.
Great, thank you.
Control 604 traffic.
604.
Cal Commercial 08744 William 3 will be Crow's Landing and Wilmore.
I copy. Last unit, you're unreadable.
9L9. Change my location to 2901 5th Street.
Copy 909.
Control 604. Final one is there.
Okay, stand by 911.
Moving 201, 211, 208, 208 control. Yeah, 1037, 604 control.
Good.
Did you have 29?
Oh, it's going to be last of Alvarez, Adam Lincoln, Victor, Adam Robert, Edward Ziva, first of Victor, Adam Charles, Tom Ocean, Robert Favor, 628 of 2006,
2851 Sierra. It's going to be across from the residence or the mailboxes. It's a BMA in a gray Nissan Altima. It's been in the vehicle possibly for the last 10 minutes. Appears to be hiding, ducking low on the seat, and it's going to allow 15 verbals over on a 1021. It appears to just be him in the vehicle.
I copy.
Copy.
604, he's clear, valid, negative probation.
Copy, thank you.
614 Control. Go ahead. Can you check your screen for a call and just the hearing is deputy for it?
Okay.
Control 604.
604.
Control 604.
Okay.
Serial number B-Boy 6744986. Also Korea on the Troll.
6L90, he's going to be clear, valid on PRCS for 459-3005, Adam 1 at 66447, and formal for 11377, Adam 11375, 241.
Copy.
Control 3K, 97 at the PSE.
Okay.
Control 300.
830.
617 Control.
Sam, Adam, Noah, 0.
617.
Check your screen for a call.
Angela, Adam, Nora, George, Edward, Lincoln, Adam, 12-9-1984, 94. Verbal, female.
Number 2.
Copy.
Last of Brackley, Robert, Adam, Charles, King, Lincoln, Edward, Yellow. First of Veronica, Victor, Edward, Robert, Ocean, Nora, Ida, Charles, Adam. 08-28-1978, verbal, female.
Okay. 830, did you have a third?
Last of Vallejo, Victor, Adam, Lincoln, Edward, Ocean. First of Brianna, Boy, Robert, Ida, Adam, Nora, Adam. 2-23-2000, verbal, female.
Okay. 830, Control. Angela's trying to be clear, 12-5 negative probation. Veronica, I'm clear UTL, and Brianna is clear, 12-5 with an index match, negative probation.
I got the work on the deal for around.
Which one?
7 Edward, Adam 534. Paradise. Pine Tree.
Should I cross on Paradise? I copy.
Control 830, 2902.
830.
This one's going to be a California driver's license. Boy 527-3695.
Copy number 2.
Last of Guerra, George, Union, Edward, Robert, Adam. First of Ralph, Robert, Adam, Paul Henry. 1-1994-94, verbal amount.
Copy.
Six
It's going to be on the mail, California DM. Last of Martinez with a V0. First of Christian, King, Robert, Ida, Sam, Tom, Ida, Adam, Nora. DOV 0930 of 2007.
Veronica is clear, valid, negative probation. Ralph is clear, valid, PRCS for 245, Adam 490.4 on 1, 47, 664, 47. Return per answer, BBC, PO type Melissa. It's 631 on control. Christian's clear, valid, negative probation.
Copy, go for it.
17.
Can you create me off my call, please?
And copy.
Patterson is incurred towards 1179. It's going to be Sperry and Roger. Semi-truck and a white sedan. Patterson 301, copy.
Well.
Okay, for when you know, go 3.
I copy. Patterson 3 Tom 9.
3 Tom 9 and 3 Tom 4 out there as well. Almost like 3 Tom 6 on the route.
Copy 3 Tom 6.
Control 8, 28.
Yeah, Trump on Salida. 1141 in fire on out to medical aid with CPR August at 4507 Mongolia. It's out to Sperry. It's going to be in between the Jack in the Box and Carl Jr.
301, circle 5, going 1097.
731.
Control 28, 28.
Julie.
California exempt 1501356.
Copy. It's coming back clear on a 2016 Chevy van to Highway Patrol.
Okay.
A unit 10 Salida, hold on 1144, call 4507 Mongolia. Fires on scene, confirmed 1144.
Control 301. X-ray, complaint contained to the neck. She's alert, conscious. We're trying to get her out of the car.
Okay.
305, walking place.
305.
Semi truck, Zebra Fall 68499, break, foul, 5 Edward, Ida Yellow 916, and any incoming can reduce. We also have fire on scene.
Copy. Any other fire scene that's responded to 1179, you can reduce.
3 Tom 4, take this right over.
3 Tom 4.
3 Tom 9.
10 4, 3 Tom 9.
Control 2K6 MS.
2K6.
Yeah, concern. Can you put me with the, lady?
Robert, 201, Robert.
Go from 201.
Hey, will you start to this this out here until for your K unit? Control 2 out of 2, I copy 201. So it's just on the slide call.
I copy.
Control 6.
That's like the Robert 2?
Robert 6.
Robert 6, go ahead.
Any show 1141 code 2 for simulation, evaluation.
Affirm to the 209 Clawson.
Corner of Clawson and Lander.
I copy. 603, 1011, 601, 601 Control.
Good.
A 415 family, 1412 Rich Lane, off of Lombardi. RP Irene Garcia versus grandson William Rosales, 19, verbal only.
Got it. And 601, you can show me on 1021.
I got L3, copy.
I got it.
Control 201, 2901.
201.
We lost the Palominos, Paul Adam Lincoln, Ocean Mary Ida, Nora Ocean Sam, versus Fabian, Frank Adam Boy Ida Adam Nora. These were 10/16/2005. It's going to be a deal of a mail out of Salida, I believe.
Copy. I'm showing clear valid negative probation out of Fresno.
Okay, that's going to be it.
607.
Trail Commercial 7 Zebra 28282.
Yeah.
Robert 80, L8.
Good.
Are you going to be available to assist?
Yeah, I'm just waiting for 201 and I'll break it right away.
I got you.
And so holding a 314 and B1 North Emerald and Lone Palm. The white female, the black dress that completely exposed herself, last seen on Emerald near the industrial complexes.
Control 608.
Hey, wait.
Do we have ID available?
Yeah. Do you need a ID or something?
I think an ID.
Break up.
Control 3 Tom 4.
3 Tom 4.
Can you start fire to the Jack-in-the-Box here on Rogers? We got a vehicle leaking fuel unrelated to this accident.
3 Tom 6. Start GHP as well. She hit something on the freeway.
I copy. And just advise if you know the location where she hit something.
Sounds like south of Ferry, northbound I-5.
I copy.
1016, Powder Seeds, NHL.
I copy.
3 Tom 6. Bring it, show me on that, limited to the 3 Tom 4 put out on the freeway.
Okay.
Control 608.
608.
Can you have a S898?
608. 6S8 control. 6S8 control.
S8, go ahead.
608 is copying you for the, requesting you for the 1144 on Magnolia.
Yeah, copy.
Copy.
Control 3 Tom 9.
3 Tom 9.
Making a minor injury. I'll be the primary, and if you could close it out, TC mark all units. Then please.
Okay.
3 Tom 6.
3 Tom 6.
I just confirmed it. There's a piece of metal in the freeway, approximately half mile south of Ferry, northbound lanes. Just confirming CHP is not.
I don't know.
I mean, fires on the thing.
Okay.
Control 6531.
10-1. Waterford, units Rental 1141 fire is en route to a 1048 at 570 East Street using Edward for a 370 that's bumped over the wheel of a red Dodge Ram. 6-1.
My victim saying he made a call about 15 minutes ago. Can you link it? Should be PD. Link it to my call and we'll investigate it.
6-1, they're on control.
Okay.
Do you happen to have victim's name or phone number? I don't see a call.
As should be my call James Cortez, and the suspect's Alberto Cortez, his brother.
Control 791 traffic.
791. Copy.
City Cal Commercial 6 Charles 93562. Right wing somebody at the Burger King.
10-4.
711, 2911, you're clear.
711. 614, control.
The last of Rollins, Robert Ocean, Lincoln, Ida North, Sam, first of Noah. Date of birth 8/6 of 2008.
Good.
Check your screen for the vest 1021 request. 1011, he's clear 12 sending our last negative information.
Copy, thank you.
Control 8-28, let's stop.
8-28.
Can you show us out with one on 9th Street and D Street in Minnesota?
D's and David?
9th and D David.
Controller, 201.
10-4. 201.
HOA transporting one mail to PST, mileage is 8223.
Copy.
Control 680.
680. 680.
Do we have any prem history here with an Adam Rodriguez?
Okay, manager. 680, that's negative. The only prior is EMS call. Do you have an approximate age?
Control 6.
Family just 16 over 80. 6 over 80 control.
Over 80.
Not sure if you copied UTL any priors with him. The only prior at the address is an EMS. Do you have an approximate age?
Control 6, what's going on?
Probably 30 or 40. I'm good for my just search.
Okay.
Show me on with one. Alright, Fairview Park. Go for him.
306. Okay. 306 control. April 28.
Last of Harris, Henry, Adam, Robert, Ida, Sam, first of Charles, common spelling, DOB 12-8, 1968, 6-8.
Sorry. April 28 control. What on 3.5 out of?
Control 608.
608.
Can you have the Mary unit? Give me 1021.
Thanks, sir. 608 control.
Go ahead.
Is your 1021 in your history?
Affirm.
3 times 6.
I don't know if you got the info from earlier, but just, if not, just let DHB know. We'll be in the parking lot of Jack in the Box Off Robbers.
Hey,
from 1185 just got here for her. So she might be getting off here soon.
Okay. 3 times 6 control. 3 times 6 control.
6531.
131.
You grab me off this call and show me at a separate subject stop at Transit Center, please.
Okay.
And why do one state? It might be a 3D call for you. It happened on the Service Road, Walmart.
Okay. Yes, Ms. White, this will be the 422 call at 4553 Flint Road. And repeat Michael Forrest advising his son, Michael Jr. Forrest, Ragoza, is texting RP saying he's going to 187 him and children's mother by shooting and stabbing them. RP's advising that responsible does have priors for 417 and does own firearms.
Control 6531, 2901.
631.
Last of Valdez, of the Zebra, first of Jose, John Ocean, Sam Edward, date of birth, 139494, California deal.
Copy. 631 control.
Here.
He's clear 14 dick for DUI or H&S on formal probation for 69 general first terms.
Thank you.
Control 3 times 6. Call me 10-8. Close it out, it says.
He's in line control. You can start with 1183 at 2612 Charles. 2 vehicles.
Control 201.
Yeah, mine, 911. 201 control.
201. Transport complete, mileage is 8234. And then can you 329 Palomino subject? His 1035 should show now.
Thanks for already canvas.
201 control.
Last you repeat your call sign, go ahead. Robert B. Canvas at Morgan in Park.
Good.
So you kill any 1035, what agency is it supposed to be out of?
Yep. I mean, it should be from us. And
Probably just got into the system a few minutes ago, so I don't know if there's like a time delay. I'll wait a few minutes and try again about 5.
I copy that, and I'll check with records.
Take over, wait.
Good.
Yeah, 536, Sam, Tom, Adam, 456.
Clear expired as of June. It's on a 2010 Chevy Coupe. There's a release of liability to like a used car dealer out of Livermore.
Control.
Good.
Per records, it's not going to show on our end. They already abstracted it.
Alright, copy. Thank you. I'll stay on them.
I copy.
Good.
We program Chevy with Robert 80.
I copy.
Okay, 909.
909.
1016 1185, please.
Copy.
Control 909, code 4.
I got me. SSC units are info. EMS of being route for found adult Chevron in the 10,000 block of Crow's Landing. Chevron employee reporting elderly female is at the address requesting 1141 and appears confused.
Control 39 in this.
39.
Yeah, better since that lobby.
Got it.
Control 39 on 1.
39.
It's going to be last at Moreno, first of Robert Edward Yellow, Nora, Adam Lincoln, David Ocean, 0207-1988, 88, I got an idea of Atwater.
6S8 control.
39 needs clear 12-5, cutting out negative probation.
I got that. Are you covered 28?
Yes, of course.
Go commercial 41094, Nora 1.
Copy.
6S8 control.
S8.
Everyone is clear expired at 228 is 24 on an 02 Chevy pickup to Moreno out of Atwater.
Take a look at that, call on Toombs and advise of, sir.
Okay.
Hey, from I'm reading it now. Stand by.
3-1 control. Does there happen to be any 2Vs 97 at the substation that are waiting for a parent?
Control 3-1.
Good.
No juvies inside or outside in the parking lot.
I copy.
Control 6S8.
Good.
Response on Teams is approved. Our deputy is aware, and they'll respond as soon as they're clear from their their current call.
I copy. 601 control.
Good.
Check your screen for Panacore.
I got it. Control 39. Can you close on my call 1 p.m.?
Yes, sir.
604 control.
Right.
Check your screen for security check 433 summit.
Got it.
6040.
Can you contact the Green Antique PD and have you do an ATC at this active most recent address on the deal?
I copy.
Control 6B40.
Good.
I just spoke to the RP, the 1141-97. Can you just find out if they transported where they transported to? I'm still a little extended.
Yeah. No, 312.
I copy, can I?
Control 648.
901.
Control 648. Can you pray me and leave it open? Never.
Control 6531 for now.
6531.
Classic Cortez, Charles Ocean, Robert Tom, Edward Sam, first of Alberto, Adam Lincoln, Boy, Edward Robert Tom Ocean, date of birth 7/23/94/94, California deal on the bell.
6431 needs to be clear 14-6 for DUI, alcohol, HS combo, negative probation.
240 control. Good. Scrap step. Control 201.
201.
Can you show 2K6 tonight and close that one? Call 1B, please.
I copy.
Control 79 by clock.
Good.
Riverside is 1.
Copy.
Control 79 for now 1.
739.
Okay, last name, Boy, Adam, Ida, Robert, Ocean, Sam, first of Jody, John, Ocean, David, Yellow, date of birth 9470 on the mail.
I copy. 7 next one.
Go ahead.
It's going to be clear valid on informal probation for 2736 Adam, 1626 Charles 1, 368 Charles, negative search terms, restrained party to serve DVCPL, Christina Helen.
Hi, call.
Control 653.
653.
I'm having an NGP issue. Can you show me 10-8, please?
I copy.
Control 6B40.
B41.
I just put a stop in the call from the sport clerk. Can you call over to 1141 and see if they have any information regarding this person that left with the female?
Control 604.
604, good.
No engine on 21 from home. Halt me around screen check.
I copy.
Control 601, you can attach me L4.
Control 6 for 8. Can you start 1141 for hold?
Copy.
I copy.
Referring 201, control clear, copy, Tilly for 211. Good. The 415 family, Quell Meadows, 5901 Newbrook, in space number 9. Spanish-speaking RP, advising verbal versus nephew, Dominic Rosales. 26 years old, wearing a burgundy shirt and black shorts, refusing to leave.
Copy. You're out from Kiernan and Vale.
SOC units, holding a road hazard, Santa Fe and Monte Vista at the railroad crossing. The small dirt brake Tesla stuck on the tracks. BNSF has been advised.
Control 618 Lala.
SOC units. And the 2B, well, 10.1 just occurred from the quick serve 4805 Yosemite. Black 04 Chevy Silverado with black rims. Unknown plate at this time. 10.5 HP victim was pumping at the gas station and the vehicle was gone when they came out.
618, a copy of log off. Have a good day.
Control 609, you can put me on that vehicle.
I copy. Unknown DOT from foot.
I copy. Come in eastbound Yosemite Mitchell.
Copy. Control 201. 201.
Dr. RP on 21. She's advising verbal CA for 602 if subject refuses to leave. And Grinpo, he lives also in Newbrook, on same street.
I got it.
Control 39.
39.
Trying to catch up to a white GTSB northbound Park Center from Sperry. Start here.
I got it. What was this for statement?
White GTSB, 31 Stanislaus parking lot.
Airwell isn't gathered.
I got it.
I want to wrap.
Control 39, clear for plates to be yielding.
Good.
California black and yellow, Charles, Tom, Sam, Victor, 5-9.
Got it.
Control 604.
Good.
How about you? 9 married boy, Union 628.
Clear expired May of 25 on an 07 Honda sedan to a Brigativo Pichardo 208 grader.
Control 39, 29
Three Raglan.
In the left of Charles, Adam, Robert, Ocean, Lincoln. First of William. There was 01-15-1997-97. DL Emerson.
Three Raglan, clear valid, thank you for probation.
I got that. I'm going to be 10-6 site.
SSC units holding a security check in the 5V 2073 Eucalyptus.
Control 608.
Good.
So you should be able to get a better description or a 28.
Control 608.
608.
I copy this up and I'll reach out to her.
I copy. 609 control.
I copy this up.
6S2 control.
S2.
Patterson clear to assist on that Eucalyptus call.
Hey,
I copy. 305 control.
305, I copy. Control 39, quick process.
I copy.
Control 604, quick process.
10-4.
Control K35.
Good.
Was there still a call holding at Monte Vista in Santa Fe for the car on the railroad tracks?
That's true.
Copy. I'm not sure if they got the car off somehow, but the tracks are clear. There's no car in sight.
I copy. BNSF Railroad advises they had blocked it off and was requesting it back when it was unclear. Do you still see BNSF on the scene?
Well, there's two trains and they're both stopped. I don't see any BNSF crew other than the trains.
201 control security check. Cover. 203 logo. Good night.
Okay.
Control 6530.
Good.
Can you show me your field code call at Scenic Photos, please?
Control 3K2. Log off. Good night.
Sorry.
305 code 4.
Cover.
605 from 305. You can go tonight.
Control B40. B40. We're going to be for now until 11:41 gets back to us, and I'll be around for that 370 on Scenario.
Okay.
Control 39 traffic. Good. Control 6040.
B40.
It's going to be a black Bentley, no plates. Self-Porto.
I'm going to ask her that, but for that found adult call, can you call Turlock PD and see if they have any prior contacts with that ex?
Control 3 Tom 6. Log off. Good night.
Gotcha.
Person 3 Tom 6. Log off. Good night.
6040 control.
Control 39. 2901.
2 there.
Going to be last of Webster, William, Edward, Boy, Sam, Tom, Edward, Robert. First of Leonard, Lincoln, Edward, Ocean, Nora, Adam, Robert, David. There was 12-09-1964-64. I got a DL out of Patterson.
Good.
Control 39. Are you clear for 28 minutes?
Ava Webster is clear negative probation policy out of Patterson. Closure bin.
Going to be Sam, Charles, Boy, George, Robert, 3. Zebra, Adam, 1. Charles, 074650.
Copy that. That is showing clear current 2012 Bentley after Webster at 127 Portrait.
I got that. I'm going to be 1068.
Okay.
Control 602, log off. Good night.
Control 653, go for it. Mandatory. Control 2K6, log off. Good night. I agree.
379 log down. Please have a good night.
Copy as well.
Control K20, K28, please. 7 Frank Boy Nora, 731.
It's clear. That expired in May of 26 on a 2015 Kia SUV to Jordan Johnson or Maria Johnson, 1404 Havasu, out of Modesto.
Got it.
Control B40. B40. 1182 not involved will be Mitchell, just south of airport, blocking the number 1 lane. Okay. We'll start 6B.
Copy. Control 6B40.
Good.
You have 2 plates, please.
Hey, from good.
First, stock commercial 94244, Adam 3, straight to number 2.
Number 2.
5 King Henry King 684. Roadway is open. Going on CHP now, they'll be on the shoulder. Northbound Mitchell.
Copy there now. Control 6B40. Good.
They're good. Standing by for CHP. You can close this out and then back on my last.
Okay. SSC units, BOL authority state parole for probably at large. Christian, Sweden, more than 99. WMA 55130. Black over brown, known to frequent the Yosemite corridor area. Riverbank 2K7, log off. Back over. 202 control. Go ahead. Can you take a look at that double help? 10-4. Associate units holding a security check. 10-5 CHP, Hatch and Crow's Landing for pedestrian seen walking alongside the canal bank. No further.
Control 2K5, log off. Good night.
2K5, I copy.
Control 2SU.
Good.
I spoke with 2B6 and he'll be 1021 in the RP. For now, we're not going to respond.
I copy.
K25?
Can you show me 10-7 SCU on call, please? Have a good night.
Have a good night.
It's C40 control.
Good.
As you did area check service on Walnut, accused of passerby said it appeared a male and female were in a 415 verbal, possibly wandered into an orchard, unknown where. Female's wearing a black shirt, a tan long sleeve or long skirt, and the male was in a red hat, black shirt. RP thought the female was uncomfortable with the male.
Copy. Control 601.
601, sir.
You should be on the SS at 1055 level.
Yes, sir.
Control 601. 2901 for your third.
601, go ahead.
The two last names, phonetically Mary Adam, Tom Union, Tom Edward, hyphen Union Boy Edward Robert. The first is Ashley, Adam Sam Henry Lincoln Edward Yellow, DOD 38 of 8888, verbal and female.
Moving to S2 control.
Negative.
And just to confirm the spelling for the last name, Mary Adam Tom Union Tom Edward Union Boy Edward Robert.
2S2 control.
Clear util. Actually, is this all one responsive?
Riverbank 2S2 control.
Sorry, it's not a hyphenated last 3735. Last of Uber, she has a confirmed infraction on PD for 160. Jail status is expired out of Modesto.
Copy.
Just a Riverbank person wanting a phone call about why serval standby was denied. It's going to happen in 21.
Okay, I'll give it 21.
Thank you. Unit in the area, Dakota Murphy. Holding a 417 occurred about 15 ago now. RP was at the railroad crossing when a light-skinned male, late 30s, black hair, unknown color shirt, got out of his vehicle and 417 to pocket knife at the RP. RP's GOA male was last seen at the intersection, still stopped at this train track.
Control 2S2.
2S2,
Sorry about that, I didn't hear you earlier, but regarding the burning 2B6 Wolfson 21 again, when he just heard ball.
Heavy.
Control TV6, can you put me and send me out, or put me on the burning tree call, please?
Hey,
Control TV6.
stand by on 911.
Control 608, can you bring me mark me label?
2D6, I
The call that I'm on, can you please confirm the 1021? I've tried calling this RP 5 times now and no answer.
That's the one she provided when she called last. It's the same one as the first call.
I copy. If she calls back again, please tell her to answer the phone, please.
Okay.
6 Robert 46, that's one. Robert 40. It is for info. Call that you're on. It sounds like Modesto just got it on their board as well, so it may not have happened in our jurisdiction.
I copy. I was going to call RP and confirm.
Yeah. They just had some all on their channel for Wexford.
Copy.
Robert 40, just for info, the PD call, she called in because apparently after the 242 on Kenneth, they then took her child to this Wexford address and made threats to stab her. So it may, and it sounds like the 242 did occur in our jurisdiction. However, your RP is currently at the Wexford address.
I copy. Control 909, copy.
909, copy.
California motorcycle plate 25 Nora 4175. I'll be at Florida Vista and Fox.
Sorry, what was your 20?
Florida Vista and Fox.
Sure.
Okay. I think it's hanging out.
909, go ahead.
The California ID call. ID 00.
909, here we go.
0. 00.
All I got that time was 00.
California ID car Union 0674800.
Copy. 909, it comes back to a person, Isaac Clear Valid out of Fontana.
Hey, from one. Go for it.
6S1.
6S1.
Can you take a look at the unknown location, call, and advice?
Copy. Give me a few minutes. I'm out of my car.
No rush. Anson be at Woodward. Fire an ambulance en route for a water rescue near Key Island. RC says they can see 2 juvies across the water near the dam that are on what looks like an air mattress, and they appear to be stuck and need assistance. Yeah. That's 60, sir.
Yeah, I got the Uber call.
And then Y71 is going to get on Marine 1 here shortly. Showing that 60.
Last unit, you were in Randall.
That's 60.
Go ahead.
Hey, if you guys are on 1021 with the RP on this, can you ask him how familiar he is with our reservoir, and if he's talking about like the dam area where there's like a big old pillar over there?
Yes, sir. He's saying he's close by the buoys by the dam.
That's exactly.
6040 Central. B40 and B90 and 11. I'm going to have you guys start for a security check 415 family at 115 Story outside of Turlock. Uncooperative RP calling from East Avenue says that the neighbors were 415 and disconnected. We got no answer on callback and we have no priors.
Copy.
Yeah, copy.
Showing that 60.
Go ahead.
Hey, Marine 1's on the water. Can you see if our RP, how close our boat is to where these people are?
I'm sorry, how close what is?
So our boat has the blue lights on. If the RP can figure out how close our boat is to where these guys are supposed to be at.
They're saying they can't see your boat.
That's exactly.
Okay, now they're saying they see the boat, but it's going the wrong direction.
Got it.
Burbank 229, log on.
229, go ahead.
This number is going to be S04322. And then can you mark me 10-7 at the RPS, please? Thank you.
Sorry, I was on 1021. Can you tell me just your S number?
S04322.
Go ahead.
Hey, can you guys hang up with the RP? I'm going to let them know that I'm going to give them a call from a 209 number.
I copy.
286 Central.
Good.
Can I grab you for a security check kind of abandoned child situation where a parent has not picked up their child from school?
Okay, from God.
There's going to be a class of elementary on Saxon. You'll be supposed to be picked up at 1800 and parents no-showed and they can't get a hold of them on 21.
Showing at 60.
Go ahead.
Burbank units, 415 verbal at Petco on Clarabelle for a possibly intoxicated subject who is causing 415s with employees.
Yeah, it's just swimmers. They like to go out there all the time, and they're having fun with them. They're good for. I already advised fire. Can you advise 1141? They can send 22.
I copy.
Is now getting into an older blue sedan of 8 boy David Charles 255, gateway through the parking lot eastbound. He is a WMA wearing a white hat, white button-up shirt, and gray shorts.
Control 3K4 off.
Control 6B40.
What?
I'm putting a note with the involved parties and rough ages. Can you try to see if you're able to 29 them?
Confirm. B40, still too.
Just over 80 people. So you can start 415 verbal if you want to try in 21st, and then if you need to do in-person contact, I will start you another unit.
Okay.
Unit C will authority of CHP, Kiernan and Dale for a 23103 Red Infinity, plate of 8 Sam Lincoln Charles 489, last seen eastbound. Yes, it will be 415 family occurred in the alley behind 500 Marshall along Bridges.
Control 2B6.
Go ahead.
Can you run the plate and I call and attach the return, please?
Control 6B40.
Good.
We'll be en route to 3250 Santa Fe Avenue, Modesto. And can you have 2B6 attached to help with Spanish?
Hey, 2B6 is on a call right now, but when he's available.
Okay. Yeah, I'm a little extended. 5 when he's tonight.
I'm sorry, other unit tonight?
2 is 2. Send 2Q5 for that assist.
For me, you said 2 queen size?
Paper for the Spanish portion.
Take it out, take it out.
Paper. Control 9 back stuff.
9.
We Fox number 6, and I'll be out with Heather Goodwin.
What was the first name?
Heather Goodwin. 2Q5 6040. Good. Sorry, Digital 1020. I don't need you to call anybody. Just 98 with me at that address, please.
Good. That's all I'm good.
Last unit 10, Vegas 1, please. 19, go ahead.
That's a good one. George, Ocean, David, William, Eleanor, first of Edward, B. Henry, Edward, Adam, Tom, Henry, Edward, Robert. If this would be 05-15-1987, peak 7. Worldwide, next Houston.
Copy. 19, clear valid out of Houston.
Copy.
2Q5 LV, Alpha X-ray. Control 19, copy.
19, go ahead.
South Passenger, Detail, Lincoln, Nora, 519B, Whitmore, and Berkeley Avenue. 727, I was.
Control 99. Control 1, we clear.
19, go ahead.
Who left the Carranza to be Charles, Adam, Robert, Adam, Nolan, Zebra, Adam. First of Caden to be Charles, Adam, Yellow, David, Edward, Nolan. Manu and Michael, Davis to be 11-02-2000, Yellow, and Nolan, Adam, Dinair.
Hi, copy. 19, clear valid out of Dinair.
Copy, Pepper.
Hi, copy.
Talking is W40.
Yeah, from B40. Can you start 1141 to the Santa Fe address? Female right here with his ALSU. We don't know if she's HPD or 11-5.
Copy, and you said AOC?
Ever.
Copy, one of our started as well.
Control 6040.
B40, go ahead.
Great. Cancel fire. Just continue 1141. I'm pretty confident she's taking it to not talk to us. But we'll let 1141 just check her out.
Yeah, the DOL authorities HB Elm and Elmore.
For four suspects in a gray Honda sedan that shot Orbeez balls at the RP while he was walking the last seen eastbound on Broadway.
18 control.
Go ahead.
For 15 family at 2220 Ryan Lee, I'll start U2B6 when he clears his call. RP Romero is in a 415 with his wife, Selena. She 242'd him. He's refusing 1141, and both parties are still 97.
I copy, I'll be on. Control 6Y30, roll 28.
6Y31, go.
9, Sam, David, Victor, 658.
Somebody 658.
Paper.
Clear current on a 23 Audi to Alasa Fernandez out of San Francisco.
Copy. Control 39 traffic. Burbank, 29.
Go ahead. 39, go.
Yeah, please. Can you 29 the subject of my call and then just attach it, please?
I'm trying writing them both, but I was UTL.
It's going to be 7 Paul Charles Zebra 079. It's going to be orange. I copy. I'll go over there and figure it out. But I appreciate it. Thank you. Alright, who's drop? Who's officer? 56.
Got it.
Can you please bring me and show me out to the 415 left corner?
Over.
Last year, I was probably 3V9.
Yeah, my computer went down, so lock me off.
2K9, are you selling too?
We're running 2K9 channel too.
2K9 off too.
I think I found the female has at least with a different first name. If it's going to be one and the same, she does have an unconfirmed 1035 out of Pueblo County SL or a larceny charge just for info.
I copy. Can you just confirm real quick, please?
Yes.
Control 3V9, 2901.
3V9, go ahead.
Going to be left of Sam, Ida, Nora, George, Henry. First of Nora, Adam, Victor, John, Ida, Tom. They're 11-13-2006, 06, PL number on the mail out of Patterson.
Copy. So 3V9, clear local, but I'm UTL. It's the other DL number.
Number 3, yellow, 9366178.
Copy. To repeat that, it looks like he had a hyphenated last. He's clear valid out of Patterson.
I copy that. Okay.
Copy, go for.
Ruben, you can I'll know the other.
6-9,
Control 6Y30.
Y31.
Can you put me on a 602 call the transit center and start Y31?
Hey, from Y31, you copy? 6Y31, control.
Control QB6, channel 1.
Good.
QB61.
Did you copy Y30 to use our asset towards the transit center?
No. Last of Harlow Martinez, Henry Adam Robert Ocean, Mary Adam Robert Tom Ida Nor Edward Zebra. First of Romero, Robert Adam Mary Ida Robert Ocean, DOV 1/30/1987.
Copy.
Before input for offset.
Before they go. 2B6, clear valid out of Riverbank.
Riverbank 216.
Okay.
Control 62030.
There you go.
Don't worry.
Okay.
Control 39 traffic.
39, yeah.
Under Bell, south of Crow. South of F-150.
Okay.
Control 39.
39, go.
Top commercial 06185 Mary 1.
626 Central. 626 Central.
626.
626 21.
Control 3929.
3B95.
Last of Stanley, Sam, Tom, Adam, Nora, Lincoln, Edward, Yellow. First of Brandon, date of birth 7/14/1974, 7/4, DL out of Crow's Landing.
Copy. 3B9, he's clear valid out of Crow's Landing, negative reputation.
I got that. 10-4.
Copy, go for it. Riverbank 2B9, channel 2.
G9, go.
And checking in at 10:35 for Celine is confirmed it's out of Colorado and they will extradite. And it was a Celine with an E at the end instead of A, if that's going to be the same.
1023 on that. I'm just going to confirm on my end that's actually her. Just she's never been to Colorado. So, just yeah, 1023.
I copy.
Control 39.
3B9,
I'm going to be on the Jet Master with 9, John 10 David 585.
Okay.
Roll 39.
3B9,
Silly two last names. First last name was Tom Adam, Paul Ida Adam. Second last was Tom Ocean X-Ray, Charles Ocean, Yellow Ocean Adam. First of Jose, did birth 5/12 of 1974, 7/4. I got a DL out of Patterson.
Copy. 3B9, clear valid out of Patterson.
Okay, Control 39.
Okay.
Control 63.
682 then?
623. Can you bring me out the college, leave it open, and if they call back, can you advise?
Control 727.
7.
5 Union 401. Franklin Pike.
That first visit was at 5 or 9?
5.
Oh, 6Y30.
Y30.
You can have a service up and grab 150. 6531. We're putting a subject in the
Control 327 traffic.
Last name is at 627?
327.
327, good.
California paper plate, Edward Tom 524, actually 2,041. Sparing, Rogers.
Please.
Paper plate, Edward Tom 52,041.
Control 327. I'll be in the jet force. No. Control 23. Log off and have a good night.
Have a good night.
Control 6Y30. Travel flight. Control 327.
327, go ahead.
EL number is going to be David 5252508. Should be at first with Susanna.
Copy. 327 is clear, valid of Patterson, negative probation.
Control 777.
777.
On an Idaho plate, 8 Boy, Mary Nora 09 Union, Bailey, and Ida.
Okay.
777.
727.
House of Edward Sam Queen Union Ida Lincoln Ida Nora. First of Dominique David Ocean Mary Ida Nora Ida Queen Union Edward. UV 3/18/2005. Actually, out of Waterford.
Yeah. Well, 725. She is clear, valid out of Waterford, negative probation.
Try that. 531 for now.
Y31, go ahead.
Valdez, Victor, Adam Lincoln, David Edward Zebra, Angelo,
Adam Nora, George Edward Lincoln Ocean, middle of David, date of birth 12/20/96, Little Oil Mill.
Okay. Y31, can you just confirm if the date of birth was 12/20 or 12/21?
He told me 2020, but 221, he's where's it now?
Copy within 20 and UTL, but I think I have some stuff with the 21. Let me rerun it. Step by this one. The date of birth of 12/21 in the middle of David. He has an unconfirmed misdemeanor at the MPD. Is for $160 for a park curfew violation. He's also going to have a couple out of counties. So for a misdemeanor out of Amador, it's actually no bail. That's for a family offense. And the second is also a misdemeanor out of Amador County. Bail amounts to $20,000 for an H&S charge. I am UTL and IDL.
I'm going to call the him first, and I'll do some after first.
Yep. Y31, Modesto. Sorry, Y31 control. It's going to be a different spelling on the last name. If it's one and the same, it's going to be Valadez instead of Valdez. And if that's one and the same, he does suspended or revoked license out of Modesto and is on probation out of Amador County for 148A Adam 1.
Yeah, as part of that, you're looking for a team and I'll check all those and then you can go on to charges.
Oh.
64, I just put a note in my call. Can you provide this contact info to CRT to follow up?
Control 1695 covered.
Can I take it?
Passenger 7, Henry 0458, the Fraser and license. Control 1695, the Fraser and Imperial.
Okay. Thank you. That's 415 Late 3667 California.
2 is 2 enough, the 415 family.
Copy, I'll set one of your units. I'll say this. And 111.
So 1695, 29 and 200.
31 control. So far, the GD misdemeanor is confirmed.
Then, the jaw.
Oh, wait, I'm sorry. It's in background. Did you want to answer it?
Yes, it will be not the jaw.
Y31 control. Are there local charges for Valadez? What are the charges for records?
69, 148, 647F, 269 ID1, and 7% of duplication violation license.
For evasion. 229, stand by, please. Q95, go ahead with your 29.
The patient is also Congo, I want to say. Probably just in the way Edward. First, Jesse, John, Edward, Sam, Edward. It was 5/28/2004 from California DL on a mail out of Minnesota.
Do you have a second?
April, it's going to be Roscoe Vincent. It's Victor Adam Charles, Edward Noah Tom. First, George, John, Ocean, Robert, George, Edward. It was 1/29, correction, 26, 1997, verbal mail.
Okay. 229.
Okay. Can you mark 115 and then confirm abstract the warrant, please?
From 295 control. Jesse Claire Valen, pending auto lab, out of Modesto, negative probation. And I was UTL for Vincent. You have a cell number?
Yeah, negative, yeah. How do you report it?
297.
Okay.
Control 63 traffic.
60.
6, yellow, 0 David, 785, will be Glenn and Fraser. 63
61.
Last name Alvarez, Adam Lincoln, Victor Adam, Robert Edward Zebra. First of Roman, Robert Ocean, Mary Adam Nora. DOE is going to be 2/4/2005-05.
Okay.
Road 829.
229.
We're transporting one female to PSC. Story mileage 8260.
Copy 2125. 63 control. Roman is still valid, out of Modesto, negative probation. Copy code 4.
Control 286, any family coming off the chest too.
Paper.
2Q5, same traffic. Control 39 traffic.
39, go ahead.
7 Adam David William 306 33 at D David.
Copy. 3Q5,
California passenger 9 Yellow Union Victor 214. 33 copy.
Copy.
2
2,
Proof for 10-6. 1 unit is sufficient to resolve 98. Second unit can go take.
Copy.
2-6, can go 10-8. I'll take the 10 line.
Control
39, go ahead.
It's going to be 2 last names. First of Ocean Robert, Tom Edward, George Adam. Second last of John Adam, Mary Edward Sam, first of Ricardo, date of birth 7/12 of 1976, 7/6. My contact with the DLA of Arizona.
Ocean 3529.
3Q5, 39, control.
Control 6Q4 traffic.
Good.
Sorry, 1035.
Commercial 10823 King 3. It's going to be Whitmore and Morganville.
Sorry, it's unconfirmed out of Arizona. It's a violation of a court order. Just saying no extradition. And I was UTL out of Arizona, out of California. He's not issued pending ROF with an ID match out of Tracy. I copy code 4. Great. 325 control.
6Q4 control.
You clear 29.
Go ahead.
Go ahead.
The sample that plate is confidential to the SO.
Confidence. 2 last names. First of Baca, Boy Adam, Charles Adam. Second of Garcia, George Adam Robert, Charles Ida Adam. First of Jose John Ocean Sam Edward. Date of birth 7/24 of 1999, 99. So now a Turlock number if you need it.
Yeah.
Control 6Q95 traffic.
Okay, okay.
Going to be traffic 6, Union John Frank 385, the number 9 MP boy.
Control 39, 3 for traffic.
Okay.
9 X-ray, Zebra Charles 255, 33 south of Hamilton.
Alright. 3Q5, clear valid, Charlie.
Goddamn, 14-6 on a set.
Traffic.
Control 7, traffic.
10.
Passenger 4, Victor King 247, Yosemite and Blossom. 67 traffic.
Okay.
Okay, the Waterford and Alvarado, Black Kia, no place.
I'm sorry, what kind of was it?
Kia.
Control 39, 2901.
39 goes.
Last of Sam Henry, Adam Victor, Ida Edward Sam, first of Charles, date of birth 11/23/1982, 82. The old number out of Discovery Bay.
Copy. 39 control. 39 control.
Go ahead.
Clear valid out of Discovery Bay. Negative probation. He is a restrained party and an unserved DVRO. Protected is a Jamaica Shavy.
Control 64 traffic.
67.01.
6Q7, go ahead.
Commercial 7, Paul 15331.
The female California. Last of Mary, Adam, Robert, Tom, Ida, Nora, Edward, Ziva. Second last of Mary, Ocean, Robert, Adam, Lincoln, Edward, Sam. First Adam, Lincoln, Ocean, Nora, David, Robert, Adam. Date of birth 10/8/2004.
Copy. 7 go ahead.
2 last names. First last name of Gonzalez with a ZZ. Second last name of Hernandez with a ZZ. First is Salvador. Sam, Adam, Lincoln, Victor, Adam, David, Ocean, Robert, DOB 322 of 99, CDL, Adam Hickman.
6Q7 control.
So,
400 clear valid out of Oakdale. Negative probation.
copy, over to 4.
Copy, over.
Yes, you put down.
6Q4 standby just 1. Sorry. 727 control.
Okay.
I'm going to clear valid out of order.
All right, go for it.
Copy code 4. 6Q4
Gabriel, Georgetown, Gabriel, Adam, Robert, Ida, Edward, Lincoln, and the 725 of 2002 by UNM.
Sorry, your
radio cutout, I could only copy the date of birth. Can you deny the first and last name?
Hey, that was Gabriel, George Adam, Boy, Robert, Ida, Edward Lincoln, versus Ariel, Adam, Robert, Ida, Edward Lincoln. I don't know.
64 cleared and issued pending auto has an ID match out of it.
Thanks.
Control 79 backstop. It's going to be the 200 block of eucalyptus.
Okay.
Control.
Good.
Can you transfer 415 family at Hampton Gym? Yes, it's going to be the RP Isabel verse for Dr. Layla, who's wearing a green shirt, green and black pants. It's a verbal only. The doctor is refusing to get into the vehicle. RP is following behind in a great force focus eastbound on that.
I copy. I'll give her a phone.
Control 79 1.
79, go ahead.
2 is 2 offsite closing.
Everybody lost it. Zebra Adam, Mary Union, David Ida Ocean. Second last name Robert Ida Victor, Robert Adam. And first name is going to be Sam Edward Robert George Ida Ocean. Date birth 6/22 of 87, 87 on mail.
67 Trevor.
Okay.
67 good.
The 8 Paul from X-ray 838. Still one for numbers.
67 control.
7.
I just want to confirm I got that plate right. This is coming back very out of the area. You said 8 Paul Tom X-ray 83.
Negative 832.
79 control.
Control 63.
With just the last of Rivera, he's clear valid out of Waterford, and there was an index card match out of St. Mary with the last says Zamudio.
Is that Q2?
63. I'll be out with Matt Morgan and
67, 29.
67.
Yeah, female in California, last of Boy, Robert, Ida, Tom, first of John, Edward, Nora, Ida, Frank, Edward, Robert. Date of birth 4/25, 1974.
66 control.
66.
66 and 64 to 11. Check in for a security check on Marissa and Tenor.
67 clear valid out of Modesto. Copy post.
Control 3 now. 10-6.
Control 2 now. Control 16 got better.
66 1.
Now passenger 9 William X-ray Edward 809 Colorado South.
Last of Bartholomew, Boy Adam, Robert Tom, Henry Ocean, Lincoln Ocean, Mary Edward Williams, Bertha Russell, Robert Union, Sam Edward, Lincoln DOB 6/7/1962.
Copy.
Control 66, code 4, Q4, 22.
Okay. 6295 control.
Good.
So confirm the plate is in that record on the file for me.
Okay, one.
295.
The Cal passenger 9 William X-ray Edward 809.
Yeah, it's in that record on the file. Can you give me a distance?
Sam 0 William 504.
Copy.
Be a gray color Chevy Impala.
2B6 control. He is clear, valid out of Modesto. Negative probation, he is the restraint party on a served CPO. Protected is the Lisa Shepherd. And it looks like there is a second served CPO. Same protected person along with Norman and Shaden.
Control 1695, 1029 on 2 Indians.
Can I get this?
It's going to be two last names of Myers Chavez, Boy Adam Edward Zebra, Charles Henry Adam Victor Edward Zebra, first of Angel, Adam Nora George Edward Lincoln. They were 8/26/2002 on a California deal on a mill out of Los Banos.
Number 2.
It's also going to be two last names of Gomez Myers,
David Ocean, Mary Edward Zebra, Boy Adam Edward Zebra. First Juan Union Adam Nora, date of birth 4/26/2000, on the California DL, male, Amaris.
Hi, copy. Can I be 1035 for Angel?
Good.
Can I have two, both out of county? The first is a misdemeanor out of Santa Clara County, SO. Bail amounts $25,000. The failure to appear for a traffic violation. The second is a misdemeanor out of Merced County. Bail amount is $2,000 for an assault charge. His bail status is expired out of Los Banos. And Juan is clear valid out of Modesto.
Copy that. Can you confirm those for now? And can you start me at 10:11 for research?
You should have a Q1 arriving shortly.
Copy that? Yeah, you just got it.
63 car 4.
Control 16. Can you say it again?
Can I go then?
It's going to be 2 George, 1 William Charles, 5 Edward, 3 Edward, 1 09557.
It is going back clear. Looks like expired in 2025 on a 2014 Chevy sedan. There's a pending master out of San Martin, Celeste of Fayez, Korea.
Sorry.
G14 traffic.
Q14.
Cal personalized 1 Sam Lincoln. David Adam, 9. Plaza and go.
Control 16. You could 1022, the 1035. G.
Can I back up?
Q14, I'm not getting a return. Can you give me this? Okay.
Confirm, Red Acura, confirming of 1 Sam Lincoln, Post Ocean, David Adam 9.
Good. Copy that one. Comes back local.
Q14.
Wow. This is like pretty long, simply.
Q14, go ahead.
31.
When you get a chance, can you check your chat for a minute?
DLML, Master Luna, Lincoln Union Nora Adam, First Jose Common, 9/19 of 1998.
Okay.
I'm away from my car. I'll be 21.
Q14, clear valid on Modesto.
Copy, go for.
Take up.
Signal 60 traffic.
Let's take this.
8 X-ray. Victor Charles. 488. I'll be 70 in Mariposa.
Control 62.
62, go ahead.
Yeah. David Edward Lincoln Victor Adam Lincoln Edward Henry Adam Mary first Edward Victor Adam. DOB is going to be 8/6 of 2001.
61 traffic.
Thank you for the question. The first is actually going to be Nora Adam Lincoln Edward Lincoln Yellow.
51.
Copy.
Paper. It's going to be some sort of paper plate. 5 Lincoln Union Frank 962 on a Lexus. It's going to be Robertson and Marisol.
Thank you. And just confirm you said it's on a Lexus. I am getting a return, but it says it's on its way with us.
62, chief. They're valid on Modesto.
From Flash Force and 972.
I'm getting 4325. Confirm the plate was 5 Lincoln Union Frank 962. So, you want some discount matching? Did you want another unit for now?
When did you pull up? 6129.
61, good.
Email last of Holcomb, Henry Ocean Lincoln, Charles Ocean Mary Boy, first of Denisha, David Edward Nora, Edward Sam Henry Adam, date of birth 2/10 of 87/87.
Okay.
225 US2. You can go tonight for now. Airport.
Your 61 clear, expired, pending auto out of Modesto.
Thank you.
Sure, so far you too.
Control 63 traffic.
Hello.
9 Tom Yellow 582 will be Crow's Landing and Winmore after the light. 632901.
Why do you want such a truck?
Keep going. Wait.
be Nathan Ida, Crowley at large, James Ortiz, blue over blue. There's going to be two last names, Martinez with the C zebra, Alex Bruce, Jim Edward, Lincoln Adam, Charles Robert, Eugene Zebra, first of Brian, Boy Robert Ida, Adam Mora, DB 1212 to 2004, 04.
Coming. Vertical point facing northbound on Issue.
Somebody did the Y31. My unit channel 1 is 1033, 1033 for channel 1. For Y31 is 110.18.
Y31, 1015, before 100.
Okay, unit channel 1 is 1034, 1034 traffic. My unit channel 1 is 1034 and 1034 traffic on channel 1 for Y31 with a 1015. 6Q3 control. Brian is clear valid. Y31 going.
So Keys, Ocean Officer, Tom Ida Zika, first of James, John Adam, Mary Edward Sam, date of birth 169797. We're rolling on off.
Copy. I just ran him. He looks pretty clear and the issue has an ID match out of Delano. He is showing to be on CDC parole for 245A Adam 1, and is the restrained party in a served CPO protected is a John Walton. I'm not seeing a violation.
Contact roll.
Control 39.
Okay.
Control 64 traffic.
Yep, I got it.
Tower passengers, Devin, Robert, Sam, Union, 746, gotta be number 9, and B-Boy.
Yep.
Control 77 traffic.
Yes.
Tower passenger 8, Victor, call 70 Hopper. 19 with them.
Celsius 421.
64 going.
Buffalo, Colorado, Mary Edward, Robert, Charles, Adam, David Ocean, Mr. Jocelyn, John Ocean, Charles, Edward, Lincoln, Yellow, Nora, UOP, Only B, 98, or 2008 by permit.
Q4, she's clearing an issue pending auto F as an ID match out of series.
Copy that. District 1 for 4.
Thank you, England.
Yes, Catholic Guerrero, be George, Union, Edward, Robert, Ocean. First of David, is become a standard. David was 07, 13, 1996, 96, for 1 now. Different number 2.
Go ahead.
If you left the Madrigal, be Mary, Adam, David, Robert, Ida, George, Adam, Lincoln. And first of Ronaldo, Mr. Robert, Edward, Yellow, Noah, Adam, Lincoln, David, Adam. And David was 01, 06, 1956, 56. 3 idea next item American.
19 control. David is clear. None issue has an ID match out of Tracy. He is going to be on probation for 21-310 general search term. And Reynolda is clear expired pending auto have out of Modesto. Negative probation.
61 driving.
6
Victor, Boy, 789, Paradise, and Mayette.
Control 77, Tuesday, 10-6, no search.
Okay.
Control 66, 20 and trailer, please.
Control 79, can you put me 97 with 7Q7?
4 Union Victor, 8215.
Control 19, go for it, 10-6, search.
And 56 back on back for her 91 CM out of series to Los Albanese.
Yep.
2901.
51.
In mail, I stated last, Sam Nicholas, Sam Adam Nora Ida Charles Ocean Lincoln Edward Sam first of Wesley William Edward Sam Lincoln Edward Yellow 8-3 of 1990 90 California Jail.
61 clear valid evidence.
Okay. Control 37 3.
Okay.
Control 34 traffic.
Keep working.
5 Nora David 376 East Hatch and
What was your process hatch?
Graceland.
Okay.
64 minus the cost list. 61 traffic. No plates on a Toyota, green color, Tuolumne, and East. 6040 traffic. No plates, well, paper plates on a silver Dodge Ram. The center, Hatchin Central. Control 64, deal.
61.
Stanislaus County Sheriff, Henry Edward David Ida Davis, Thomas Spelling, date of birth 11/16 of 1961, 6-1 out of Patterson.
I've seen it. 61 control.
Alright.
Davis, clear valid out of Patterson, negative probation.
Okay.
61 then.
Yeah, Arkansas driver's license. Last coins. George Ocean, Ida Nora Edward Sam. First of Dawson, David Adam William Sam Ocean Nora. Date of birth 9/25 of 2003.
Before you somebody this one. 61 control. Clear local must have valid DL out of Arkansas.
Yeah, we didn't get.
Before you go ahead.
Verbal on the mail, probably not going to find a match. Last of Roscoe, Ocean, Robert Ocean, Steve Charles Ocean, first Doggo Berthill, David Adam George Ocean, Roy Edward Robert Tom Ocean, 7/14/70, 70.
7. Before you clear local, but I detail.
Wait.
You from Glenn?
1, David, 3, 3 boys, 1, Tom, 1, 9, 70996.
Before he's coming back clear, expired in May of 2026 on an 09 Dodge pickup. It says to contact DMV for new owner information. It was a salvage certificate of some sort. And the plate that's supposed to be on it is 29825 yellow 3.
Oh, yeah, thank you. Control 6B40.
Before you go in?
On that 29, can you try the last name of Roscoe? Actually, I just forgot the second last name. Second last name is Valencia. They got Lincoln, Edward, North, Charles, Idaho.
Yep. B40, he's still clear, and they did find an index card match Tracy with just the last of Valencia.
Oh, yeah, that'll work. Thank you.
Okay.
Control 61, okay. 6, Lincoln, Tom, Mary, 978, Western and Seward. 61, we're going to be going into Suncrest Apartments on Chicago.
I checked for a security check and also one of the water bridge units was at 11 when they cleared their traffic point.
61 Glenn.
Sorry.
Please email that Perez, Paul, Edward, Robert, Edward, Zebra, first, Rosa, Robert, Ocean, Sam, Tab, 2/28 of 1989, 8/9 on a California deal.
Take it. 61 Glenn.
Copy, thank you. You want to go for?
Copy.
Control Robert 80, Final 1.
Robert 81.
Beyond Mount Patterson, last of Renner, Robert Edward, Nora Edward Robert, first of Christopher, Charles Henry Robert, Ida Sam Tom, Ocean Paul Henry Edward Robert. DOB 82576.
Okay. However, it's clear valid out of Patterson.
Copy, thank you.
Control 67.
Please don't go.
I'll be continuing on for a security check. This actually occurred over an hour and a half ago, and he's not sure if the people are still there.
Control 61.
For Q7's call, can you start air support to just make sure there's nobody down in the area? I'm pretty sure that's pretty far venture down the river.
Then I'm off site. 6Q1, 20 in effect, please. 9, Robert William Union, 726. Correction, 776.
This cleared expired back in 2025 on a 05 Toyota. Got a release liability to a Diaz Autos, looks like maybe out of Mexico.
Copy. I'll take traffic comment. Harbinger and Woodland at Arco.
Control 1695 covered.
95.
Cowbasher 9, Tom Nor, Tom 375, the number 7 in Christine.
6 Robert 8, copy.
The last unit?
6 Robert 8, copy. 8-0.
Go ahead.
423. General Office.
I covered you on the fleet, and I...
8 Adam Yellow 423.
Control 604 on the screen.
Patterson 35, traffic. Passenger 9 out of Frank Yellow 788. Vehicle flying J's off the ferry.
Control 16 1 please.
295.
The last of Devon, David Adam, Victor, Ocean, David. First of Emil, David Edward, Mary, Ida, Edward Lincoln, date of birth 1/22/2006, 06, St. Catherine, Dale, on a email, out of the one.
Copy. 295. Clear valid out of Sherlock.
Sorry, you're going for.
Copy. Go for. Lost night, your radio cut off.
623. 9 John Ocean Tom 858 will be road and Edward. Control 648.
6 Robert 80, go ahead.
Yellow Vest, Texas on a female, last of Sperlin. Sam Paul, Union, Robert, Lincoln, Ida, Nora, first of Nadia. Nora, Adam, David, Ida, Adam. DOB's 4/15/2004. Report.
Copy.
Person 65, on your clear.
325, go ahead.
Control 64.
Well, you're going.
Last of Henry, Edward, Robert, Adam, first of Oscar, Ocean, Sam, Charles, on Robert, date of birth 12/15/2002, 02. Small Modesto, number if you need it.
Thanks, okay.
No, I have to look at what 1021. Your mouth first, check.
Robert 80, control.
Good.
She's cleared as a valid deal out of Texas, and then ID match out of Modesto.
Copy.
325, are you 1035?
Good.
It's got an unconfirmed misdemeanor out of the SL. It's for $1,020, $20,002 Adam, and PL status invalid out of Modesto.
Can you give me that turn the car as well, please?
It is clear expired in 2023, and a 2016 Ford two-door. The pending master is out of Modesto to the Oscar Herrera reception.
Any riders with the 21 or address?
Copy. And at the address, we'll check for those phone numbers.
6321, 2901 the upper.
63. And negative with the phone number.
William, it's going to be William 1761715. Last of Montana is Toronto.
Take up. The 63, she is clear valid out of Surrey. Copy, go for. 61, what?
28.
Last of Bunch, Boy, Union, Nora, Charles Henry, first of Mindy, Mary, Ida, Nora, David, Mello. Date of birth 11/1/75, 75 on the California ID.
8 George, Henry Williams, 791.
Clear on the 2019 Dodge, the last of Salvador out of Patterson off of Grove. Q1, are you 1035?
Paper.
An unconfirmed misdemeanor out of Tuolumne County, SO. Bail $10,000 for failure to appear H&S charge. Tail status is expired pending automated app out of Modesto.
I got it. 6040, can you 20 please?
Be ready to go.
Oklahoma plate, Sam Robert Edward 409.
Is clear current on a 05 Honda. Blasting color.
Copy, here's Colorado.
Landon Stonebreaker Smith.
I copy.
Control 255 1028.
235.
Paul Thompson 966.
It is clear current on a 2021 Hyundai Porter out of Riverbank to west of Apple.
Control 225 4. Charles 64, Clearfield. 9, Paul, Adam, Lincoln, 539.
It's clear current on a 25 Honda, registered to a Tania Lima Gonzalez at the 221. I street there.
You don't want 9, Zebra, John, Victor, 538.
That one is clear current on a 24 Toyota, lots of Lopez Contreras out of Canada.
That's one that's car passing here, the window tinted.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. I'm pretty sure that plate's a modified plate. The black and yellows don't come in that digit form.
He's pretty clear, right?
Okay.
I don't know, wait a minute, Victor, 438.
That was after on a 2015 Subaru, lots of Vasquez out of Palm Beach.
Yeah, last year 483.
Control 6 S1 traffic.
I said I just want to be for that one comes back to the current 2017 Ford out of Watsonville. S1, go ahead with your traffic.
9 yellow Union X-ray 972. 9th and mod.
6214 traffic.
You're working good.
7 George X-ray Roberts 694. Mott Singer and Anna.
Here's some posts registered to 4212. Yeah.
Copy. Charles 6 S1 29.
601, go ahead.
Lots of water. Lincoln, Adam, Adam first Abel, Adam Boy, Edward Lincoln, 530 of 82, Noah Keys.
Copy.
Control traffic.
8 Tom William Frank 531, I'll be in the parking lot of Flying J.
Coming last week, 531. 601, clear, expired, out of case.
I'm with him.
Copy. How far back is the expiration?
I don't see the expiration date. I can see the issue date was 2/1 of 24.
Back up.
We're going to have contact with one male, one female out here.
Actually, I just found it. The expiration date was 5/30 of 2022.
Yeah.
Control 30. 29 on 1.
3V9, go ahead.
Gonna be last of Ocean Lincoln Adam Yellow, first of Robert Ocean Victor, Ida Charles. There were 328-2000 DL number of Patterson on a mail.
Copy.
Control 63 traffic.
3V9, clear valid out of Patterson.
Hi, traffic.
8 Zebra, Mary William, 569. Will be Smith and Mott.
On December 8th, 0 Mary Williams 569 on an 08 Pontiac.
Control Q14, the place to be 8 Zebra, Mary William 569.
Copy. I just I was on an 08 Pontiac, but it's been subplated. That's not the plate that should be on.
Paper plate on there.
63, go ahead.
Last name is David Ocean, Robert Tom, Charles Henry, first of Cassandra, Charles Adam, Sam Adam Nora, David Robert Adam, 1117 of 82.
I copy. Issue 3, clear valid out of truck. 66, go ahead.
Last of Ambrose Beneda, Adam Mary, 2 last names, Adam Mary, Boy Robert, Ida Zebra, and Paul, Ida Nora, Edward David Adam, first of Caesar, Charles Edward Tim, Adam Robert, DOB 56 of 1997-97, got a CDL out of Los Angeles on the mail.
Number 2.
Control 64, correction 62 traffic.
Last of Lemus Gonzalez, Lincoln Edward Mary, Union Sam, George Ocean Nora, Zebra Adam Lincoln Edward Zebra, first of Tanya, Tom Adam Nora Ida Adams, UB is 9/1 of 2001, 01, verbal on the X-ray, out of LA.
I copy.
9 Charles, William Nora, 875,
I'll be in front of 4210 Esmo.
So 66. I have a 27 number for the X-ray if you need it.
Negative, it looks like I found them both. They're both going to be clear. Caesar is non-issued pending auto app ID match out of North Hills, and Tanya is non-issued ID match out of North Hills as well.
Same word, thank you.
67.
Alright.
Go for out here. You can 10.2 error.
Info 6220.
Copy, Air 111, please cover that. 62-5? There's a voice you can't rely with what you think.
Last, Victor, Adam Lincoln, Edward Nora, Charles, Ida, Adam. First, Fernando, Frank, Edward, Robert, Nora, Adam, Nora, David, Ocean. Maybe 8-1 and 2008 over.
Copy.
Control 62603, 10-6.
22, clear, but I need to tell, did you have a DLR 19 number?
No, he just got his permit. I'm hopeful.
G14 coming.
G14.
Be on a paper plate. Edward David 40. Correction. Edward David 40. Union 31. We got 3201 Anna. G14 go.
Control 99 traffic.
99.
Passenger 6, David Tom Adam 078 on a Toyota Prius V70 and McKillen.
Control 601 traffic.
Yeah.
9 Tom Yellow 582 B Road in Starlight.
Yeah.
Control 99 also V70 and Mark Avenue.
Control 6-1 final.
6-1 good.
Lasso, Martinez, Daily Cruz, Mary Adam Robert, Tom Adam, Nora, Edward Zebra, David Edward, Lincoln Adam, Charles Robert, Union Zebra, First O'Brien, Roy Robert, Idaho Nora, and it will be 12-04 on a mill out of Keys. I have a DL number if you need it.
Copy. 6-1 clear valley. And a Keys negative for patient.
Yeah, copy. And if you have a moment, can I just get the last four of them on the car?
8044.
Copy.
Control 99 Simpson, and one quick.
99.
Two left of Walker, Buren, Adam Lincoln, King, Edward Robert, Franklin, Nathaniel. This will be Nora, Adam, Tom, Henry, Adam, Nora, Ida, Edward Lincoln. Milton of David, Chippy, 11, 19, 2007, 07, D on another Walker.
99 clear valley out of Waterford. Okay.
3-2, I copy you're on that 1037. Did you want that the unit stick with you?
Probably.
840.
Go ahead.
And I can hear for 415 for 1 the 415 for 1 the 4.